Alágbára gíga nínú àwọn ọ̀run, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín.
The most powerful God among heaven, we thank you.
Bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí.
Speak to us this morning.
Ṣíjú wa sí ìkàntọ̀ ọ̀run.
Open our eyes to heavenly things
Ojú wa kúrò lórí ilẹ̀.
and remove our focus from the heavenly things.
Sọ èdè tí iwájú.
Revive our hope.
Wú ọkàn wa sókè.
Inspire our spirit.
Ní orúkọ Jésù tù wá lára.
Comfort us in Jesus'
A
name.
ó dúpẹ́.
We thank
Ní
you.
orúkọ Jésù ni mo gbàdúrà.
In Jesus' name we pray. Orí kókó karùn-ún la wà.
Under our main topic, God shares our feelings.
Lábẹ́ àkòrí ńlá tá à ń wò tó sọ pé Ọlọ́run mọ bó ṣe ń ṣe wá.
He knows you inside and out
Ó mọ̀ ọ́ nínú lóde.
and keep you in mind.
Ó sì ní wa lọ́kàn pẹ̀lú.
Let me borrow the language of Apostle Paul.
Kí n yá èdè arákùnrin Paul lò.
In 1 Corinthians chapter 9,
Kọ́ríńtì kìíní orí kẹsàn-án.
where he was exhorting the church, or we generally,
Níbi tó ti ń gba ìjọ àbí kí n kú sọ pé tó ti ń gbà wá ní
to
ìyànjú.
take care of ministers of God in their midst.
Ipe kan ṣe ìtọ́jú àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tó wà láàrin wọn.
He said, it is written in the scriptures,
Pé a kọ nínú ìwé mímọ́.
don't muzzle the ox that trench the grain.
Màálù tí ń pakà ká má ṣe di lẹ́nu.
He now said,
Ó wá ní
is God talking about horse or about a horse?
ṣé ẹranko tó ń pakà àbí màálù tó ń pakà ni Ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ ni.
God is talking particularly about us,
Ṣùgbọ́n àwa lọ́lọ́run bá wí.
that we should take care of those who are working, those who are laboring.
Pé àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ká tọ́jú wọn.
What am I bringing out there?
Kí ni mò ń gbìyànjú láti mú jáde níbẹ̀?
It is we that God is keeping in mind.
Àwa ni Ọlọ́run ní lọ́kàn.
If God is taking care of moose, He's taking care of sheep, taking care of goats, that we say we should not disturb them from feeding well. How much more you? God has you in mind.
Kí Ọlọ́run bá ń ṣètọ́jú àgùntàn tó ń ṣètọ́jú ewúrẹ́ tó ń ṣètọ́jú kẹ́tẹ́kẹ́tẹ́ tó ní ká má ṣe dí wọn lẹ́nu àwọn tó ń pakà pé kán ṣe kán jẹ kán jẹun àwa lọ́lọ́run bá wí ó ní mélòó mélòó àwa ènìyàn rẹ̀.
When you look at God bringing Israelites out of Egypt,
Tá a bá ń wo bí Ọlọ́run ṣe kó àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì jáde nílẹ̀
He brought
Íjíbítì.
them out with all their animals.
Ó kó wọn jáde pẹ̀lú gbogbo
And when
ẹran
He was
wọn.
giving them laws, He gave them laws how to take care of animals.
Ó fi òfin lélẹ̀ fún wọn bó ṣe yẹ kán tọ́jú àwọn ẹran wọn.
In fact, when God demands that they should bring young sheep or moose or whatever it is for sacrifice, He instructed them that a goat or a sheep that has just given to birth, don't take the child from him. Don't take the child from the sheep.
Ìgbà tí Ọlọ́run sọ fún wọn pé kán mú àwọn ọ̀dọ́ àgùntàn àbí ọ̀dọ́ ewúrẹ́ wá, ó ń kìlọ̀ fún wọn pé ewúrẹ́ tó bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bímọ àbí àgùntàn tó bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bímọ ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ gba ọmọ rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
That is a period the child should live with the parents.
Ó ní àkókò tí àwọn ọmọ lè gbé pẹ̀lú àwọn òbí
In
wọn.
other words, God is taking care of animals that are created for food.
Ohun tí mò ń sọ ni pé tí Ọlọ́run bá ń ṣe ìtọ́jú àwọn ewúrẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run dá fún ẹran fún oúnjẹ fún àwa ènìyàn.
How much more He will take care of you?
Mélòó mélòó a ṣe ìtọ́jú wa.
Like Jesus taught us,
Bí Jésù ṣe kọ́ wa.
if God is taking care of leaves and lilies, is taking care of birds of heaven.
Bí Ọlọ́run bá ń ṣe ìtọ́jú àwọn ewéko ìgbẹ́ àwọn líìlí àwọn ẹyẹ ojú ọ̀run.
He said the glory of Solomon is not up to the glory of the leaves.
Ó ní a lè fi ògo Solomoni gan oníkò tó ti àwọn ewéko igbó.
God cares for those things because of you.
Tí Ọlọ́run bá ń ṣe ìtọ́jú àwọn ewéko wọ̀nyí títorí
He
tiwa.
has you in mind.
Ó ní wa lọ́kàn.
May you not disappoint Him in Jesus' name.
A sì ní jákulẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù.
He has you in mind.
Ọlọ́run ní wa
I
lọ́kàn.
will not be going to the details. I've started my point number 5 last week.
A ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kókó karùn-ún lọ́sẹ̀ tó kọjá.
And the topic is men and women do not live here forever.
Kókó náà sì sọ wípé àwa ènìyàn ìṣọkùnrin ìṣobìnrin pé a wà níbí títí láé.
We will soon read it, and I mentioned that this world is a field. That was last week.
mo sọ wípé oko ni ayé yìí.
And I said, man is grass.
pé ewéko ni àwa ènìyàn.
And life is brief.
pé ayé yìí wà fún ìwọ̀n gbà kúkúrú.
And man is frail.
pé ẹni kíkú ni ènìyàn.
Those are the few points we mentioned before
àwọn
we left
kókó tí a
last
fẹnu
month.
kàn lọ́sẹ̀ tó kọjá
And I
nìyí.
mentioned that we are going to address my point number 3, which I said, looking for the city of God today.
kókó kẹta lábẹ́ rẹ̀ tó sọ wípé fífojú sọ́nà fún ìlú ọlọ́run.
And which we may not be able to complete this morning for
tó
that
ṣeé
matter.
ṣe ká má parí láàárọ̀ yìí gan
Because there are some
pẹ̀lú.
points under it.
torí ó tún kó àwọn kan dání.
And those points we will be able to go as far as God allowed us.
àwọn kéékèèké tó wà lábẹ́ rẹ̀ yìí ibi tọ́lọ́run bá ràn wá
But
lọ́wọ́ dé
let's
níbẹ̀.
move to Psalm 103.
ká lọ sí ibi kíkà àwọ orin dáfídì orí
Verse
kẹtàlélọ́gọ́rùn-ún
15
láti
and
ẹsẹ̀
verse
ìkarùndógún sí
Psalm
ìkẹrìndínlógún rẹ̀.
103.
orin
verse
dáfídì
15 and 16 as a key.
orí ìkẹtàlélọ́gọ́rùn-ún ẹsẹ̀ ìkarùndínlógún sí ìkẹrìndínlógún.
You are reading the Bible, both in English and in Yoruba.
one oh three 15-16.
I'm not hearing you, the whole world is listening to you.
bí ó ṣe ti ènìyàn ni ọjọ́ rẹ̀ dàbí koríko bí ìtànná ewéko ìgbẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó gbilẹ̀ nítorí tí afẹ́fẹ́ fẹ́ kọjá lọ lórí rẹ̀ kò sì sí mọ́ ibùjókòó rẹ̀ kò mọ́ mọ́.
Oh God.
Men and women don't live very long.
They don't live here. You're not going to be here forever. You have a limit.
pé
You
a
are
ní
reading.
gbèdéke a wà níbi
Read it
títí
to
láéláé.
16.
Men and women don't live very long. Like white flowers, they spring up and blossom.
Blossom, flowers. Yes.
But a storm snuffs them out just as quickly, leaving nothing to show they were here.
Leaving nothing to show that you will ever come here.
pé kò sí ohunkóhun tí wọ́n fi sílẹ̀ fún ìrántí láti lè mọ̀ pé wọ́n wá síbí rí.
N tó bá ti ṣe
whatever you do
láti ran ẹnìkan lọ́wọ́ tó rí ìgbàlà.
to help somebody to be
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kúkú
saved.
sọ.
let me put it
Tó
this
bá
way.
ṣe fún ayérayé nìkan ní tiẹ̀.
whatever you do for eternal life belongs to you.
That's why Jesus told us
that's ìdí tí jésù fi sọ fún wa
that
nìyí.
we should invest.
pé ká máa ṣètò.
That's Matthew chapter 6.
Ìwé Matthew orí kẹfà.
Invest where robbers.
ká
where
máa
termites.
ká máa pèsè síbi tí ìpáàrà
Where
ikán
all what you have
àwọn olè
cannot be destroyed.
tí ibi tí wọ́n ti lè jẹ́ àwọn nǹkan wọ́n nírun.
Listen to that language. It is in both in Yoruba and English that we blossom
bí à ń tàn
like a flower
bí ewéko bí
Shine.
òdòdó
and very attractive.
àwa fa ojú wa
We bear
fani
fruits
mọ́ra
and we extend branches.
à ń so èso à ń pẹ̀ka.
But within a period when there is a wind or a storm on it, it
Ṣùgbọ́n ní
will
kété-
all disappear.
ní kété tí ìjì bá bìlú gbogbo rẹ̀ á
And
pòórá.
nobody will know that flower has ever existed.
kò wá ní sí ìrántí kankan bóyá òdòdó yìí bóyá ó tilẹ̀ tàn níbí rí.
Nothing to show for it.
kò sí ohun kan tó lè fi hàn pé òdòdó yìí ti wà níbí nígbà kan rí.
My prayer is that may you not waste away.
àdúrà wa ni pé ká má ṣòfò dànù.
God does not intend that you should waste away.
kò sí nínú ọkàn ọlọ́run pé ká kọ̀ ṣòfò nínú ayé eléyìí.
Making all plans that you should not waste
ó
away.
ń gbìyànjú ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ká má bàa ṣòfò.
You have not come to the world.
a wá sínú ayé
You
eléyìí.
don't meet Christ
tá a bá bá jésù
and
pàdé
use this single life to prepare for hereafter.
ká sì lo ayé eléyìí fún ìmúrasílẹ̀ de èyí tó ń
That's what we
bọ̀.
are trying to tell you under this lecture.
ohun tí ẹ̀kọ́ yìí ń gbìyànjú àti kọ́ wa
And that's
nìyí.
where I'm even going this morning.
ibi tí mò ń lọ láàárọ̀ yìí gan ni.
Using this one
lílo ayé
to
eléyìí
prepare for the city that is coming.
láti múra sílẹ̀ de ìlú tó ń bọ̀.
Because whatever you make, whatever you are,
ohunkóhun
Very
yòówù kó
short,
ní
there will
ohunkóhun
be
yòówù kó
nothing
jẹ́
to show for it.
ní kúkúrú lákòókò kan ò ní rí ohunkóhun láti fi hàn pé mo wá síbí rí.
Muhammad Ali died a frustrated man.
ọkùnrin tí wọ́n dárúkọ yìí ọkùnrin afẹ̀ṣẹ́kù bí òjò nìyí.
That you can get under boxing.
gbogbo ohun tí èèyàn lè ní lábẹ́ ipé ajẹ̀ṣẹ́.
At a stage, he became, when you look at those medals, you can't put the medals house and begin to go out.
gbogbo nǹkan tó gbà nígbà náà kì í ṣe nǹkan téèyàn lè máa kó kọ́rùn kó kó
The medals are just
jáde.
for the glory of that moment.
ó
That
wà
moment,
fún
that
ògo
moment
àkókò
alone.
yẹn nìkan
That
gan.
moment alone.
àkókò yẹn nìkan ṣọ́ ló wà fún.
You win Nobel Prize is for the glory of that moment.
ó gba ẹ̀bùn fún àkókò yẹn nìkan ló wà fún.
Even those who write books that are not spiritual,
àwọn òǹkọ̀wé ti ara
very soon they will pack them out of the shelf and they don't read it again.
láìpẹ́ wọ́n á gbàgbé wọn.
Animal Farm is no longer in schools.
ìwé tí wọ́n dárúkọ yìí ó dàbí ẹni pé kò sí nílé ìwé
The
gan mọ́.
books of Charles Dickens that we read in our days, Great Expectation.
ìwé tí wọ́n dárúkọ yìí náà àtẹni tó kọ
David Copperfield. All the books we read in the modern school, we read in the secondary school.
gbogbo àwọn ìwé ìgbàanì
Very soon, it will go out of the shelf.
gbégbà tó bá yá àti ẹ̀ní gbúrò wọn mọ́.
Nothing to show. Nothing to show.
kò tiẹ̀ sí ohun tó lè fún wa ní ìrántí wọn kò sí ohun tá a lè fi hàn pé ó wà yìí.
You know professors, I even have a cousin.
ẹ mọ àmọ́ oríṣiríṣi
He
àwọn
was first many things.
pé òun ni àkọ́kọ́ nínú eléyìí òun ni àkọ́kọ́ nínú tọ̀hún
First this.
àkọ́kọ́ nínú eléyìí àkọ́kọ́ nínú tọ̀hún.
The glory of the moment.
ògo wákàtí náà
Nothing to show that he had ever come to the world now.
kò tiẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan tá a lè fi hàn pé ó tiẹ̀ kọjá níbí kò sí nǹkan tó lè tá a lè fi hàn pé ó kọjá níbí rí.
It is only those who invest in eternity.
àwọn tó bá ti pèsè sí ayérayé sí ayé àwọn ènìyàn náà lè máa rántí wọn láéláé.
Nothing to show for it.
kò sí ohun kankan tírú àwọn tí ò bá ṣe rú bẹ́ẹ̀ tán lè fi rántí wọn.
You amass it even before by the time you die, before you are buried.
kó tiẹ̀ tó sì pé wọ́n sì
Your
kú irú ẹni
children
bẹ́ẹ̀.
who have no eternity in their mind.
àwọn
begin
ọmọ
to
tí ò ní ayérayé
waste all of a man.
nínú ọkàn gbogbo nǹkan tó ti fọjú ayé rẹ ṣe ni wàá rí tá máa fi ṣòfò.
I was in this town. I met late Baba Ajanaku.
ìgbà tí mo dé ìlú yìí mo sì bá bàbá Àjànàkú.
People said
àwọn ènìyàn sọ wípé
he was stinkingly rich.
pé ó lówó lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
We learned when Baba died.
àmọ̀gbà tí bàbá yìí kú.
Before they do the burial, everybody tear rubber, all the children.
kan tó ṣòkú bàbá ọkọ̀ tuntun ní gbogbo àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀
Tear rubber.
náà lò.
The Baba is going to Lagos, like we heard.
gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ṣe gbọ́
Not an Ijeshaman.
wọ́n ní tí bàbá bá ń lọ Èkó
Because he has a chain of vehicles that fly Lagos, fly Ibadan.
torí ó ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ mọ́tò tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ
If
Èkó ṣiṣẹ́ lọ
Baba is
Ìbàdàn.
going and is going to enter his own vehicle, he will bring out his money and pay.
wọ́n ní tí bàbá bá fẹ́ lọ sí Èkó àbí bóyá Ìbàdàn tó fẹ́ wọ mọ́tò ara rẹ̀ á mú owó jáde á sanwó fún dẹ́rẹ́bà.
So when you see him paying, you wouldn't expect Baba Ajanaku to tell the driver not to collect money from you.
ìgbà tí wọ́n tó bá mọ̀ rí tó rẹ́ni tó ní mọ́tò tó ń sanwó mọ́tò bóyá wà wá ní kó bóyá wọ́n ò ní sanwó wà wá ṣàlàyé.
So it's his own vehicle. That's what he had.
mọ́tò ara rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní ní o nǹkan tá a gbọ́ ni pé á sanwó fún onímọ́tò á sanwó dẹ́rẹ́bà.
If you are his friend or his relation and you enter the vehicle with him, he may afford to pay for you.
tó bá jẹ́ pé o jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ àbí
Not that
ìbátan rẹ̀
you ask the driver not to collect money from you.
ó wá ṣeé ṣe kó sanwó rẹ̀ mọ́ tirẹ̀ o kì í wá ṣe pé kó sọ fún dẹ́rẹ́bà yìí pé kó má gbowó mọ́tò lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
The conductor and the driver must give account of how many passengers they carry.
àwọn ẹni tó wa mọ́tò àtàlábàárìn rẹ̀ wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ wọ́n ṣètò owó pé iye ènìyàn báyìí la gbé lọ.
We scarcely enter his compound to preach.
lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan à ń wọnú ilé
I
rẹ̀ láti
remember
wàásù.
one man of God.
mo rántí ìránṣẹ́
He
Ọlọ́run
was a
kan
vibrant minister.
ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run kan tó ṣáná dáadáa
the Redeemed in the Redeemed Christian Church of God.
nínú ìjọ tí wọ́n dárúkọ yìí mo mọ̀ ọ́.
One Reverend Akande.
orúkọ rẹ̀ ni wọ́n dá yẹn.
He went to Baba.
wọ́n ló tẹ̀lé bàbá yìí lọ.
He was sweating, trying to make him to see the need to be born again.
ó ń gbìyànjú ó ń làkàkà láti jẹ́ kí bàbá yìí kó rí èrè tó wà nídìí kéèyàn di
You know what
àtúnbí.
Baba told him?
ẹ mọ nǹkan tí bàbá yìí sọ
He was
fún.
sweating. Anytime you want to do something in your church, I'm coming to drop money.
ó ní má kọ̀ làágùn ìgbàkúgbà tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan nínú ìjọ yín màá wá láti wá fún yín lówó.
People like you want money to develop your church.
ó nítorí mo mọ̀ yí pé àwọn ènìyàn bíi yín owó láti kọ́ ìjọ yín lẹ̀ ń wá wọ́n ní inú ọkùnrin yìí
These
bàjẹ́.
are some of the things that challenge me as a young man. I will never collect anything from you.
irú àwọn nǹkan tó ń pè mí níjà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀dọ́ nínú iṣẹ́ ọlọ́run nìyí. That is why I don't collect anything from you. If you don't accept Christ, I will not collect anything from you because they believe we all beg for money from them.
The man went from him with sadness.
ọkùnrin yìí kúrò lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀
Because
pẹ̀lú ìbànújẹ́.
he was not like some of the ministers today who
kò dàbí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ìránṣẹ́ ọlọ́run mìíràn lónìí tó jẹ́ pé owó nọ́ṣà ń wá kiri ní tiwọn.
I knew him personally. I was
mo mọ ọkùnrin yìí fúnra mi mo mọ̀ ọ́.
very vibrant. I think may God help us.
ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
We learned Baba wrote a will
a gbọ́ pé bàbá yìí kọ.
that his property should not be divided for his children until after 25 years after his death.
pé ó ṣèwé sílẹ̀ yìí pé ogún òun tóun fi sílẹ̀ o pé ó di ẹ̀yìn ọdún márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n kan tó fọwọ́ kàn án.
Let those children go and labour and work with their own hands.
pé kí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tóun bí kan lọ ṣiṣẹ́ kan fọwọ́ wọn ṣiṣẹ́.
I like him o.
èmi náà fẹ́ràn rẹ̀ o.
Go and work. Agbójúlógún ṣe kẹ́nẹ̀.
lọ ṣiṣẹ́.
Go and work.
You don't trust in inheritance or don't depend in inheritance.
After 25 years, the will was read and everybody took his own.
lẹ́yìn ọdún márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n
by that time everybody must have become
wọ́n ka ìwé tí bàbá kọ sílẹ̀ wọ́n sì fún oníkálukú lóhùn.
What am I saying?
ṣùgbọ́n kó tó dìgbà yẹn ẹ̀ mọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn á ti ní
to
nǹkan
show
kan.
for it if I'm not those of you who are bound the arata, do you know anybody called Ajanaku?
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tá a bí nísìnyí báyìí ṣé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa gbọ́ orúkọ yìí mọ́ ṣé a gbọ́ rí ẹlòmíràn. Some people don't even know where he built his house.
70s, I think early 80s ní bàbá kú.
Maybe the man died early 80s.
Ẹlòmíràn mọ ibi tí ilé Àjànàkú wà lónìí.
Many people don't even know who is Ajanaku or where he built his house.
Ọmọ mẹ́ka ló kọ́ lọ gba họ́ọ̀lù kan níbẹ̀.
Where we don't usually enter them. One of my child in the Christ rented the house. We cannot just enter into that house then to say Jesus.
Nothing to show.
Rí ohunkóhun tí a lè fi hàn.
Ẹni wáyé àwa.
May you not come to this world in vain.
Ẹ jẹun.
You will eat.
Ẹ lò ṣọ.
You will use clothes.
Mo máa ń lo èdè kan.
I do use a language.
Ẹ má gbàgbé. Mo fi
Don't forget, it's a worship language.
Tó ń fúnni lóhun gbogbo láti ṣe kéne.
God that gave us all things
Bàbá wa ló
to
kọ́
you.
wa.
According to our father. Timothy kìíní orí kẹfà.
When he was talking of how to handle money.
Nígbà tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bó ṣe yẹ ká mú owó, ọwọ́ tó yẹ ká fi mú owó àti ọrọ̀.
You are reading from verse 17.
Láti ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹtàdínlógún.
Ó ti kìlọ̀ bọ́ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe máa ń rí ènìyàn.
He has won how riches can sink you.
Jẹ́mi máa sọ Yorùbá níbẹ̀ kò yé eyín torí ẹlòmíì lè máa gbọ́ mi. Mo fẹ́ kàn ẹ́ gbọ́.
I want us to hear very well.
Àtọ̀ àwọn ọmọ.
Some parents and some children that don't want to work and you want to reach suddenly.
Paul kọ́ wa.
Paul taught
Ó
us
lè ẹ́ rí ọkọ̀ yín.
that you will sink your own vessel.
Yàtọ̀ sí pé ẹ́ rí ọkọ̀ gbàgbọ́.
Apart from the fact that you will sink the vessel of faith, you will sink even your own vessel.
Tọ́mọ̀ ẹ̀ bá ti ń náwó.
If your child is
Tó tu
spending
iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe.
more than his income,
Ìwọ ìyá olè bàbá olè tẹ́ ń gbowó yẹn lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
you parents, you are all the same.
Àbúrò ọ̀rẹ́ dẹ̀yìn ni yín. wọ́n là mẹ́wọ̀n níbí ojú wa ló ṣe.
You are a brother to that man mentioned, a criminal.
You know what
who was
already
gay.
somebody told, and he was the one who helped him to keep the materials in store.
Wọ́n ní ẹnìkan lọ jalè òun ló lọ ń gba ẹrù olè tó ń bá tọ́jú rẹ̀ sínú ilé.
One of our policemen, I didn't read the story, I only saw the headline.
Ìkan nínú àwọn
He may be jailed in US very soon.
ìkan nínú àwọn ọlọ́pàá wa
There was a man
lónìí
that was
ó
fraud.
ṣeé ṣe kán là mẹ́wọ̀n láìpẹ́.
And that fraud man, he collected money from that fraud man.
Torí-
And when the case came up in US, they said, where is the policeman? And they now issue warrant that he should be brought.
ìkan nínú àwọn oníjìbìtì tọ́wọ́ ti tẹ̀ tó wà lẹ́wọ̀n lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ òun náà ń jẹ́wọ́ pé ìkan nínú àwọn ọlọ́pàá wa nílẹ̀ yìí
Ó gbowó lọ́wọ́ kí ni mo
pé ó
sọ
gbowó
ó
lọ́wọ́
lè.
òun láti ṣe iṣẹ́ ibi
Owó
kan
lè.
wọn òun náà dẹni wíwá báyìí wọ́n wà pé kó wá
Ẹ ṣọ́ra
jẹ́jọ́.
àwọn olóṣèlú tẹ́ ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn ó lè ní gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń
Be
gbowó lọ́wọ́ olóṣèlú.
careful, be careful, all those of you that do collect money from the
Olóṣèlú tẹ́ ẹni kó wá
politicians.
bá yín kàn àga sínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì pásítọ̀ ọ̀ṣà.
The politicians that we invited to come and to make a bench for you in the church or share without say.
pásítọ̀ àti gbogbo àwọn alàgbà tó gbowó yẹn ó lè.
Both the pastor and the leaders that collect those money, they are thieves.
Kò lẹ́ ń kó lọ.
Where are you taking it to?
Ó ti ìjókòó wá sí lè má dáa ṣùgbọ́n ayé ìgbà kan ló jẹ́ pé eré kúkú rẹ̀ là ń wàásù mi.
Though this place may not be that captivative enough, but there are the time we do preach just in the mere floor here.
Àbọ̀lọ́run ò lè ṣe.
A time will come that everything will change. Must we steal before God do those things for us, or must we collect money from the politician before that?
Mo ti mi tó ti pẹ́ àwọn ìpàṣọ wẹ̀yẹ ò mọ owó ná mi mọ owó ná.
They do say that I don't know how to spend money.
Wọ́n bá fún owó gidi màá ná.
If you give me a real money, you will know I know how to spend. As I'm standing
Tó
here,
1 billion wọ́wọ́ mi lónìí.
if I get 1 billion,
mi ò ní ná nínú
a
rẹ̀.
clean money,
Kò dẹ̀ tó mi ná mo ṣe wà.
and it's not even sufficient for me to spend.
1 naira mi ò ní ná.
A penny I will not spend for myself on it,
Ẹ dẹ̀ tó mi ná.
and it's not even
Ẹ
sufficient.
bí iṣẹ́ kẹ́ni adálùkọ lóṣogbo yẹn.
They are mentioned
Mo ń bá bàbá
a
sọ̀rọ̀
particular work at Oshogbo. I was discussing with the
Toilet tó ń
man.
wò yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ pé owó dé sí mi lápò mo ṣe wà ẹ máa parí ẹ̀ka tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ retreat. Afẹ́fẹ́ kún tọ́lẹ̀tì kì í ṣe léètọ̀ obìnrin léètọ̀.
We want to extend this toilet, maybe a place to pee.
Bá a ṣe ń tò fúnra níbẹ̀ yẹn kò tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn.
As we line up to toilet there, I'm not satisfied with it.
Àbí kí ṣòwò ni a máa fi ṣe.
Or don't you think we will spend money on that?
Aláàrẹ̀ ni ibi tá a máa káwọn retreat sí.
We are talking of where to house those people who are coming for
Orí
retreat.
òkè tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Kí mi mo pe àwọn ní gíláàsì báyìí kẹ́ ẹ bá mi ṣe gíláàsì sí. Tọ́lẹ̀tì yẹn n tó máa ná mi á wọ 1 million.
That toilet, if we should do
Tó
it,
dé ń dún lónìí.
what the town is saying today,
I want
if
1
we
million.
should do it, nearly $1 million.
Thunder ara ló ba ẹ́ńjìnì kẹ́ni jẹ́.
Thunder
Àti ìṣe.
destroyed the engine for this
Bàmú wa ń pe àwọn ọmọ mi gbogbo tó mọ̀wé jù mí.
when I
Wọ́n ní,
called
"Ẹ sọ
some
fún
people
bàbá kó lọ ṣe oògùn thunder sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì.
and they said we should do the
Oògùn kí ni
this
mo
thunder
pè é?
catcher.
Wọ́n ní kí mi lọ ṣe oògùn tó bá ti dé ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tó bá ti rí àrà á sá lọ.
When thunder come and visit that catcher, he will run
2
away.
weeks ago ẹ̀rí tí wọ́n ń gbẹ́ kòtò kan
You
níbẹ̀
discover a pit was dug
àti
there.
rí àtẹrẹ.
We've done
It
it.
was just
And
123,000.
Ó lé díẹ̀ ní
Gbogbo ẹ̀yìn ilé tó wà ládùúgbò ìbáyìí yẹn ṣoríire.
ní 100,000 ni.
Àrà ò lè ba nǹkan kan jẹ́ inú ilé yín.
Thunder cannot strike anywhere in this
Inú ilé mi
area.
níjọ́ tí àrà yẹn ṣọṣẹ́.
The day that
Ó
thunder
dá wọlé.
did,
Mo ti mo ń bá bàbá ìjà.
I was fighting somebody
Gbogbo
there.
abẹ́ dẹ́kìn gbogbo sáìdì kan.
Under
délẹ̀.
the decking.
Gbogbo náà tán lẹ̀ gbogbo tán lẹ̀ kì í ṣe pé níwà o tẹ̀ switch ẹ̀ lẹ̀.
No light. It's not
Pátápátá
as
ló
if
jó gbogbo fáànù sáìdì yẹn jó kan lẹ̀.
it destroy everything along that line.
Mi ò tí ì ṣe tán báyìí.
I'm yet to
Mo sì ní owó fáànù
repair
ròórà.
all that was
Ayà
destroyed
ọ̀dẹ́
there.
ní pé pásọ̀ ló méjì ròórà mẹ́rìnlá ni bàbá tó ń bá mi ṣiṣẹ́ inú ilé mi
The
rẹ̀. Wọ́n láti
man-
pé
I called him.
mo ní àtúwàyà torí mo ṣẹlẹ̀ títí kékeré.
I
Mo ní
did a
àtúwàyà
little
eléyìí
bit
ní
of
òtó àṣẹ ẹ̀mẹ́mọ̀wé.
electricity.
Mo ní kó wá fè kan kún. Ó ní
I
dájú
said
mo
you
lẹ́yìn
should
ọ̀kan
add
ti tó.
another one, and he was telling me
Mo
one is
fagídí mu
sufficient.
mo ní fè kan kún.
I said you
Mo lójó
should
pẹ̀lú ìpá.
add the
Ní bàbá Búkì
second
lọ ṣe ó lọ rí àtúwàyà kejì.
and they did the second half
Mo ní
wire.
àbọ̀ fẹ́ kí náà tún jólè
Or do
lẹ́ẹ̀kejì.
you want this house to be consumed again by fire?
Mo ti sọ fún báyìí màá wá owó èmi náà fẹ́ ṣe oògùn ara
I told him
màá rí mọ́nú ilé mi.
a solution of thunder. I will try to do it.
Just one round thing. Mo fẹ́ ra house speaker fún ìsọjí.
Want to buy house
Báyìí
speaker?
fún ìsọjí. Wọ́n fún mi ní bíìlì ẹ̀ mo ní kán lọ jókòó.
I was given the bill. I said they should be
Give me
patient.
1 billion as I'm talking to you now.
Mo kàn ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé bílíọ̀nù kan yẹn tó o bá fún mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí
Ó mọ iye tí lè
kò tí ì
máa
ran
gbà.
kankan. Don't you know how this
Ṣé kò ní gba 1 billion yẹn
how
gan?
this auditorium will consume?
Ṣé kò ní gbà? Nílé nìkan. Kò dìgbà tí mo wá bẹ̀ ọ́ gbówó wá.
Not until I beg you to bring
Ènìyàn
money.
ẹ̀kọ́ ọjọ́ àná ènìyàn ní kẹ̀kẹ́ ìrere.
Man is
Ènìyàn
the
ló máa gbọ́ wọlé
chariot
tó
of
máa gbówó
gospel.
jáde.
God will lay hand on men and they will bring out something.
So gbogbo owó tẹ̀ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn olè tẹ̀ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn
All the money you are
tètè lé má
from
jẹ́
those
kẹ́ pa ẹ́
thieves.
má jẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ kẹ́ pa ẹ́.
You better be careful.
fífà àbí fáfà tó ń ṣe olè ní o olè. ẹgbẹ́jú sẹ́gbẹ́ àwọn ọmọ yín dẹ̀ ń jalè wọ́n ń jalè lójú yín.
You are looking
Wọn ò
aside
kàwé.
and your
Kán
children
ṣe
are
jáàmù
stealing.
kán páàsì jáàmù
For them
jẹ́ kán páàsì.
to sit for
Ẹni
jam
ìwé
and
wúlò
pass.
ìwé wúlò dọ̀la.
You are saying
Oh,
education
kàwé
is
débi tó
nothing.
dé ni.
Just read.
Ayé wà
If
lókè.
you get, if you read more, there are space
Mo ní mo láyé wá.
over there.
Ọ̀dà gbogbo àwọn tó ń gba masters yẹn ẹ jẹ́ kán gbà.
All
Ẹ jẹ́ kán
those
gbà
who are
doctor.
obtaining
Ayé
their
wà lókè.
masters and PhD,
Ayé wà lókè.
allow them. There are chance for
Bẹ́ẹ̀
them
ń
up
kọ́ṣẹ́.
there.
Mo like àwọn òbí kan ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yìí.
I
mo
love
like
some
yìí.
parents.
Àwọn ọmọ kan ti ń kọ́ṣẹ́ báyìí wọ́n ti mọṣẹ́.
Some
Mo rí wọn máa lọ.
put themselves
Ó ṣe dìgí lọ́wọ́, wọ́n ń
into
kọ́ṣẹ́
learning
lọ́wọ́.
some things.
Àwọn ọmọ kan wá admission báyìí. Bọ́lẹ̀ ń lọ.
Some are seeking for
Kan ló ń kọ́
admission.
télọ̀. Ètò ń kọ́
Fashion design
oríṣiríṣi iṣẹ́ náà ń kọ́ lọ́wọ́ báyìí kọ́ kó o mọ̀.
and learn.
Àwọn ọmọ kẹ́tì ẹ̀kọ́
And
tó
be
jẹ́
vast
bàbá tán
in
lé
it.
yunifásitì iṣẹ́ tán kọ́ ni wọ́n fi ń ran àwọn òbí wọn lọ́wọ́.
There are some who passed through such thing, and when they got their
Mo máa
admission,
wọ́n bí
they
kan
were
níbi tí ò
helping
lè
their
tọ́ wọn tí ò bá
parents
ṣe ọmọ àwọn
through
ọmọ
that.
ọmọ tọ́ra ẹ̀.
That they are the
Tọ́mọ ń
ones
ṣiṣẹ́.
who help their parents
Ó tiẹ̀
to train
mọ̀ tán.
themselves.
Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọn kan wà tí ò lè kọ nóòtì.
There are
Tí
some,
wọ́n bá ní kán ṣe
their
rìsáàsì
age
wọn ò lè
mate
dá
cannot
ṣe.
write no.
Ó jókòó tí ìwé ó mẹ́ka.
And he will sit down
Àwọn ọmọ
to
òṣìṣẹ́ kan
read,
wà tí wọn ò lè dá ṣe tí wọ́n bá ní kán ṣe
and he
assignment.
writes,
Á gba assignment yẹn lọ́wọ́ wọn á bá wọn
he will
ṣe.
do the assignment for them.
Òun ló fi tọ́ra rẹ̀.
And that was what he used to train
Mo ló fi
himself.
Mo ló fi ṣe. Ìdílé ò ní kọ́ bọ̀.
The
Kò lè tán.
mother
Èmi
was
gan
not
mọ̀
that
pé kò lè.
rich, and I knew that the woman cannot handle that.
Jẹ́ kán ṣiṣẹ́. Wo
Let them
mo mọ̀
work.
kan níbí bàbá rẹ̀ náà ń gbìyànjú.
I know one here.
Gbogbo kọ̀ǹpútà tá à ń ṣe láyé ìgbà yẹn. Ó ti ra printer kékeré ó gbé
Oh,
sọ́gbà.
the computer.
Tọ́ba ti ní kán ṣe project. Òun ló máa bá wọn tẹ̀.
Anytime they want
á bá
to
wọn
do
ṣe.
their project, we
Ọ̀tọ̀ra rẹ̀
print it. Eventually, train himself.
Kìlọ̀ fún àwọn ọlọ́rọ̀ láàrin yín.
One, the rich
Kí wọ́n má
among
ṣe
you,
gbẹ́kẹ̀ ní ọ̀rọ̀ àì.
for them
Bí kò
not to
ṣe
trust
Ọlọ́run
alààyè
tó ń fúnni
in
lóhun
riches
gbogbo
that
láti
is not
lò.
certain, but to
Kọ́
trust on
múra
God
láti
that give
pé fúnni.
to men, all to men to use, and they
Ó
should be ready to
lè
distribute.
gbádùn ayé tó o bá pẹ́ fúnni. Mo
You
ń
can't
tẹnu
enjoy
mọ́.
this world if you don't give.
O lè gbádùn ẹ̀.
You can't
O
enjoy
lè
it.
gbádùn ẹ̀.
You can't
Ṣé
enjoy
ẹjọ́ tó
this
máa-
world.
O mọ ibi tó o ti máa kórè ẹ̀.
You don't know where you will reach.
Sóore ṣá.
Just
Sóore
begin.
pàápàá.
Just give to
Oore
others.
tó o bá ṣe nínú ìrere.
Most
Kí ni mo pè é?
especially the good things you do
Oh, mọ ibi tó
in the
ti máa
gospel.
kórè
You
rẹ̀.
don't know where you reap them.
Tell them.
Sọ fún wọn.
of themselves and so obsessed with money which
Quick.
is here today
Ó ń lọ Amẹ́ríkà. Quick.
Kán kúrò.
be full of yourself o jọra ẹ lójú èlò ló wà lọ́wọ́ ni.
How much do you have?
báṣà àwọn ọmọ mi aláwọn kan máa ṣàkọ́ báyìí ní Iléṣà.
There are some people who be bragging
tí o lè
in
rẹ́ǹtì
Iléṣà.
fúláàtì l'Abuja.
The money that they have here in Iléṣà that can rent a flat apartment in the federal capital.
ọ̀rẹ́ ọmọ mi kẹ́ nígbà tó wà ní school.
A friend of mine child,
mo bá dárúkọ gbogbo yẹn
when in
rẹ̀.
school, if I should mention
òun ló
his
kàwé
name,
ẹ̀ ó
That was
kàwé ẹ̀ ó
what-
múra sí ìwé ẹ̀.
he was reading.
a máa kàwé a máa múra ó ní tí wàhálà 100,000 bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilé wọn yẹn ó láwọn aráàlú wọn ò lè kó o.
The problem of 100,000 should happen that their family cannot
tí
cope with
wàhálà
it.
100,000 ṣẹlẹ̀ lónìí iye ti gbẹ máàkì bọ́ọ̀lù ilé wọn.
He said there is nowhere they can get that.
ó parí first degree ó ṣe master.
And
ó
he
ṣe
finished his
doctorate,
first
ó ti parí
degree,
doctorate ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
second degree maybe. He must have finished his doctorate degree.
You are too full of yourself. Èló ló ní? Ilé wà lọ́wọ́ ni. Too obsessed, too obsessed, too obsessed,
Pé
too
à ń
obsessed.
ríra wa nǹkan mìíràn tí ó ti kún wa lọ́kàn,
Mí dẹ́dara wa.
ti gba ọkàn wa.
Torí òháwọ́ kòtó.
Because you are stingy.
Títí lọ àmà pé kòtó.
And
Iṣẹ́
you will
ìpè.
continue
Kò
to
lè tó.
say it's not enough.
Tó bá dẹ̀ rí full of yourself alone.
Pé ara wa
Ọjọ́ ìgbà tó máa mọ̀ pé
nìkan.
wọ́n ń lò lé ayé bẹ́ẹ̀.
A day is coming that we know this life is not just like
Wọ́n ń
that.
lò lé ayé bẹ́ẹ̀.
That you don't spend your life
Wọ́n ń lò
in
lé ayé
that
bẹ́ẹ̀.
way.
Wọ́n ń lò bẹ́ẹ̀.
You don't spend your life that way.
Ah.
Which is here today and gone tomorrow.
Today you see it, tomorrow you won't see it.
Òní wàá rí ọ̀la
Wọ́n
ó
wà
lè má rí
títí, a máa sọ pé dúkìá rẹ̀ ló wà.
even we
Kò
human
wà
beings, we
títí,
are not forever.
kò wà
Not to talk of
títí.
material things.
Tell them to go after God who piles on all the riches we could ever manage. To do good, to be rich in helping others, to be extravagantly generous.
Extravagantly what?
Generous.
Yẹn ni pé ká lawọ́ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
If they do that, there will be that treasury that will last, gaining life that is truly life.
Ó ń ṣètò fún ayérayé
That-
ìṣúra tó máa dúró láéláé.
By doing
Ló ń ṣètò
this, you are
fún.
preparing a treasure that lasts
Ẹ máa ń
forever.
sọ ẹ máa rò pé a ní àkókò rẹ ẹlòmíì inú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì 500 naira ẹ̀ ò tí wọnú àpótí.
Some people, they've never dropped 500 naira since they've been coming to this church.
Àmọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ lè bẹ̀
At this all together,
bèrè lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ o ti ní 500 naira.
building an auditorium. Ask yourself,
Ìlú ló wọ bẹ̀. Kété.
do you have a
Àwọn olówó
penny
ló máa
in
ṣe.
it?
Àwọn olówó ló máa ṣe.
It belongs to the rich.
Inú wa tún máa bí ọgbẹ́ àdúgbò àwọn kan ló sọ ń gbà kan ń gbà mú kọ́kọ́ ra mọ́tò mi àkọ́kọ́.
The time I first
Mọ́tò
bought
yẹn orí
my
olórí
car,
ẹsẹ̀ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀. Kí ni mo pe? Gbogbo yín ló mọ̀ mí ẹ mọ̀ mí.
you all know me.
So kò sáṣírí mi tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀. Orí olórí ẹsẹ̀ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ gbogbo tá a rẹ jọ. Ẹni àwọn kan ní owó tó yẹ kí pásọ̀ pé fún àwọn.
Some people say the money that he's supposed to distribute to the church was buying a vehicle.
Lẹ́mi tó yẹ pé ìpàdé tí mo ṣe pẹ̀lú ìyá ọpẹ́ ni pé
The meeting I made with my wife,
ẹ̀kọ́ tí mo fi ń gbélé ayé.
what I used to live my
Gbèsè
life,
fún àjò náà.
provide for the
Mo
journey.
fẹ́ kó n bí iṣẹ́ ìjọba.
I'm leaving, I
Ẹ̀mí
want
mi
to
ò gbé mọ́ kí n má
retire.
jẹ́ ìpè tọ́lọ́run rán mi.
I cannot
Ẹsẹ̀
withstand
yẹn pàdé mi
it
pé
not to
gbèsè
follow
fún àjò náà.
the commandment of
Mo wá
God.
pè é.
I called
Mo ní
her.
mo fẹ́ ra skútà. Skútà ẹ mọ ṣe ìtàn pé ní skútà yẹn.
That
Ó wọ́pọ̀ Tòkunbọ̀ ẹ wọ́pọ̀ nígbà yẹn níta àbòǹbò yẹn.
the man of God want to buy a type of machine,
Mọ̀ mi lórí ẹ̀ ń gbà kan. Vespa.
Vespa.
Mo ní mo fẹ́ rà.
I said I want to buy.
Ìyá ọpẹ́ ní ìwọ nìkan lá máa gùn.
And my wife said, you are the only one that will be riding that. I said, no problem.
Mo ní mo fẹ́ de oṣù visitation ni. Mo fẹ́ lọ sáré ṣe
I said, it's meant for
Mo ní mo ní
visitation.
ìrírí pé
I have an
téèyàn máa ń lò níbi
experience.
tó ti ń wá ọkọ̀.
The time
máa ń
spent while
Nítorí
waiting
náà,
for vehicle
màá rà
take a
lọ́dọ̀
long
wọn
time. That I will buy that machine
Mo mi
for
ṣètò
visitation.
skútà.
I'm preparing
Ọlọ́run mi
to
ṣètò
buy
mọ́tò.
Vespa and God is
Kí ni mo
preparing
pè?
to buy vehicle.
mo ra aṣọ
I
mo
bought-
kò fún tailor mo ní kán bá mi rán jákẹ́ẹ̀tì mẹ́rin
I bought clothes,
mo ní kí
gave
n
it
tó
to tailor
lóko mo lọ́lọ́run ara ẹni
to buy or to sew 4 jackets. That before I use them,
mo
fade,
ní kọ̀ǹdọ́tọ̀ mẹ́fà mo ní
God
méjì
will
kan.
provide
Mo
another
ara
people.
mẹ́rin.
I owned 2 before,
Mo ní
then
kó
I
tó
bought
gbó.
another 4.
mo lọ́lọ́run ara ẹni kan.
Before it's old,
Mo ra bàtà,
then
mo ṣe é
somebody,
lò.
I bought a shoe,
mo ń pèsè fún kẹ́ni
preparing for the journey.
lójijì
Suddenly,
kí ọjọ́ tí màá kó níbi iṣẹ́ tó dé làárọ̀ ní
Before-
olórí ẹsẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ tí a kó jọ
I retired.
ẹnìkan gbé ẹ́ńjìnì fún mi
Somebody gave
ẹ́ńjìnì
me
yẹn ni mo
an
tà ṣáà wá
engine
kún kẹ́rẹ́ rẹ́
of a
rẹ́ rẹ́
vehicle.
amàrà
I had to
mọ́tò
read, and we bought the car.
àwọn ẹ̀pìn ó rẹ̀ kún wọn.
And they said I did not distribute the
Baby,
money for
no.
them.
torí kí mo bá rí àwọn tó ní mi ò pé fún wọn yẹn mo ń fún wọn tó bá wà lọ́wọ́
Those who said that, I do give them
Eh,
some
don't
things at times.
ojú tán fi wò ó nìyẹn
That is the way they perceive it.
kí ni mo
Then
pè é wàá béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara rẹ̀
ask yourself.
dáhùn pé mo máa ń sọ
You know, I do say
mo
this.
ti ń sọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì òwú èló ló ti wọ bí.
We are talking of the auditorium now. How much have you donated or give for the progress of that auditorium?
àti ra irin 1 million
We
kìnnìkan 2
bought
million
iron rod a
200
million.
ti ẹ̀ dà
Where is your own 200 naira?
100 naira ti ẹ̀ dà.
Where is your own 100 naira?
tàbí wo tọ̀wọ̀n pé mo gbà mo ń lọ mo ṣe announcement mo lẹ́ni tẹ́ bá ti rákò tí pásọ̀ mo ní mi ò fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wá fowó sí mi lápò.
I said I don't want
fowó yẹn
you
síbẹ̀ mẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ mọ̀ ọ́ kí n bá ti rí
to
kí n
give
máa
me money
dọ́pẹ́.
personally.
èlò owó ẹ ló ti wà kó
But
tí
put
pásọ̀
it
yẹn.
into that box. How much have you dropped into
mo ṣáà rí i pé
that
mo ń
box?
wọṣọ bó mo ti ń rí.
You know I do put on clothes. Where do I get them?
kò tọ̀run wá o
It's not from heaven,
kò tìlú òyìnbó wá o
not from overseas.
gbogbo bí mo ṣe dúró látòkè dé sàlẹ̀ pátápátá
As
ti
I'm
fi ká
standing
pátá
here, including
mi ò
underwear,
dọ́jà o mi ò ní kọ́pọ̀.
none
ènìyàn
of
ló rà.
my penny is there.
ẹni tó ra ilé báyìí tó bá wà ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì á máa wò.
The
Ẹni tó
person
ra
that
ilé
bought
báyìí
this
tó bá wà ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì á máa
will
wò.
be looking at
ẹni ra bàtà
it
yẹn
there.
tó bá wà ní bí
The
á máa wò.
shoe, the
Lórí
shirt,
àdùn.
and everything. You will be
Pásọ̀,
happy.
ó lóun fẹ́ kẹ́ àwọn tó fẹ́ kí pásọ̀ wọn máa dúró dáadáa.
Those who
ìjọba
want their
ìjọba
pastor
yìí.
to look
Ìjọba yìí.
neat,
yéé bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọ́ ni ẹnìkan ló rà.
somebody bought it.
gbéra rẹ sókè
Uplift
mo máa ṣẹ̀kọ́
yourself.
débẹ̀
I will get there.
bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kàn ń introduce pé kó yí ọ pé you
Just for
will
you
just
to
go
know.
here nothing to show for it.
Pé wàá kọ̀kọ́ já lọ níbi tí nǹkan tó ní rí nǹkan kan fi hàn sí.
mo fẹ́ jáde lánàá
Wanted to move
Mo
out
bọ̀ sí
yesterday,
pàdé alàgbà.
coming to the leaders meeting.
mo wá wọ̀ torí mi wo Yorùbá tẹ́lẹ̀ mo wá wọ̀
I put on
mo lọ ń fi bọ́tìnì
one native dress.
ilé lọ ọmọ tó ó láwọn ọ̀dọ́ kan àwọn níbo ni mò ń lọ dáàdì
And they said, where are you?
ayẹyẹ wo
Where
ni mo
are
fẹ́ lọ
you
ṣe
going?
ọ̀rẹ́ mi kankan ilé ọ̀dọ̀ mi aláyẹyẹ mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe
They were asking me,
Mo ní mò ń lọ
which
church.
occasion are
Mo ní
you
ìpàdé
going?
alàgbà.
I said, I have leaders meeting.
ṣé a máa lò tí mo bá kú
Would they use it if I die?
tìmílẹ́yìn ṣé ẹ wọ̀ ẹ ti sọ fún mi pé ẹ wọ̀
You told me you will not use it.
mo bá dédé rí mi tí mo dé fìlà
When you see me
Mo
put
wash
on
your
a
back.
car and just dress
mo dúró dáadáa
somehow,
mo lè fẹ́ lọ ra búrẹ́dì
I may want to go and buy bread.
búrẹ́dì oníbìkan tí mo ti máa ra búrẹ́dì jàlàbù
I have
Mo
a
fẹ́ lọ ra
place where
búrẹ́dì
I
jàlàbù.
buy
Wà á kàn
big
dédé rí.
bread.
fìlà tí mo ń dé yẹn àwọn kan ní o nání kí n máa dé fìlà
Some people
kò
did
tí ì
it.
mọ́ra mo mi kọ́
I'm still under
mo
training,
ń kọ́ gan
training
àti
myself.
túnṣí eléyìí tí mo dé láàárọ̀ yìí báyìí
The one I
mo ti
put on
kó
this
nulẹ̀.
morning.
mo ṣe ń bọ̀ nu mọ́tò
As
bẹ́ẹ̀
I
ni mo
was
mi gbọ́dọ̀
coming,
mo jí dànù mo tún jí
And I
dànù
was praying. I remove it. Why
mo
pray?
tún jí dànù ẹ ti mọ́ra
It's not usual.
kò sẹ́ni tó máa mọ̀ pé ó wáyé
Nobody will know you ever come here.
Hebrews chapter 13
Hébérù orí kẹtàlá
verse 14.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrìnlá rẹ̀.
Jẹ́ bó ṣe Hebrew yẹn mú ká.
nítorí pé
Yes.
àwa kò ní ìlú tí ó wà títí níhìn-ín
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ṣùgbọ́n àwa ń wá èyí tí ń bọ̀.
À ń fi eléyìí wá kéni o.
èyí tí ń
Using
bọ̀.
this to prepare for the forthcoming one.
Orin akọni yẹ kí n bá mú orin akọni yẹn nìkan ó tó gbé aṣẹ kan. Ìlú ìbànújẹ́ rẹ̀ ìlú ẹkún
The
rẹ̀.
city of sorrow.
Ó ti rún banú ẹ̀jẹ̀ lọ́dún. Náwó ẹ̀ sókè.
Have you never seen something that make you sorrowful this
Kò jẹ́ kí
year?
n bá ọ yọ.
Let me see your hand.
Ó ti rún banú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ní 2021 jẹ́ kí n bá ẹ yọ.
Since the beginning of this year, you've never come across anything that make you look sorrowful somehow.
Kódà bá a sunkún lórí ara rẹ̀.
Even
Kíní kà á ti pa ọ́ lẹ́kún
If you
lọ́dún
don't
sẹ́yìn.
weep on yourself, something must have caused you to weep somehow.
Ìlú ẹkún rẹ̀.
This is a city
Kí ló
of
rúkọ ẹ̀?
weeping.
Kọ́ bá a sọkún àní gbé ọ níjọ́ bí ọ.
If you don't weep, they will not even carry you the day you were born.
Kódà àwọn agbègbè akẹ́sẹ̀ bò ọ́.
The midwife will started beating you.
À ń pa pẹlẹbẹ sí ọ lára. À ń là ọ́ lá o. Gbòòsà kẹ́.
They will beat you that you just have to weep.
Kẹ́.
You must cry.
Kọ́ba dẹ̀ ti dákẹ́.
And when
Tó
you
bá ṣe ni tó ń lọ ọ̀run. Ẹ̀rín là ń rìn lọ síbi yìí o. Ìlú aláyọ̀ là ń lọ yìí.
and when you pack your load and world, you started laughing while
Ayé ò
going.
ní gbọ̀run lọ́wọ́ yín.
May the world not take away heaven from us.
Jẹ́ kí n ka ìtàn àwọn tó ń wo inú Hébérù yẹn ni o.
In Hebrew, let me read
Ẹ
the
bọ́ sí
story.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹwàá ẹ padà sí ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹwàá.
Verse 10
àwa ní pẹpẹ kan.
of
No,
that chapter.
no. Hebrews 11 mo ti kó n bẹ́yìn.
Hébérù orí kọkànlá.
I'm sorry. Hebrews 11
nítorí tí ó ń
verse
retí
9 10.
nípa ìgbàgbọ́ ni ó ṣe àtìpó ní ilẹ̀ ìlérí
Abraham nìyẹn o.
bí ẹni pé ní ilẹ̀ àjèjì ó ń gbé inú àgọ́ pẹ̀lú ìsákì àti jákọ́bù
Do you
àwọn
all know
ajogún
that
ìlérí kan náà pẹ̀lú rẹ̀.
I've been reading the law of Moses from Genesis.
Mo ń ka
My family
òfin
were
Mósè
in Deuteronomy.
láti Genesis.
And even in my own personal
Deuteronomy.
study,
Àdákà tèmi gan.
the second full time I'm reading the Bible, but to read the third time mi lè ṣì mo kàwọ́ ọdún yìí, so mi ò ní pè lẹ́ẹ̀kẹta bí ẹ̀ bí tí mo parí yẹn sí mo pè lẹ́ẹ̀kejì.
Where I
One card
end
of
last year or ended last year, I continue from there. I won't call it the third time. I was reading
níbẹ̀ yìí.
Deuteronomy.
Mo tún ń wo bàbá Abraham.
I was looking at Abraham
Abraham.
just like that.
Gbogbo ilẹ̀ tán fún yẹn pátápátá.
All the land that were given unto him.
Jọ́ tí ìyàwó ẹ̀ kú. Ó yẹ kó tó máa jà pé lọ́dún fún mi nílẹ̀.
The day
Kí ló ṣe?
his wife died,
Mo ní kí ló ṣe?
he bought.
Omi wálé ọ̀fẹ́ lára lẹ̀ ọba fẹ́ kọ́ ni.
You are looking for a free land.
wait there,
Go and
no.
buy land.
Má ra lẹ̀ tó ní controversy.
Don't buy a
Tọ́ba
controversy
ti ní
land.
controversy, a jẹ́ pé wọ́n gbà ẹ̀ tètè la wá wò
If
mí.
it has any controversy, it means you are doomed. Look for another one.
Kí mo ní kó lọ ṣe? Ọ̀ ti dà má gbà. Ó rà á.
He bought the land.
Ibẹ̀ ni gbogbo wọn ń jí bóróbóróbóróbóróbó.
There they
Tọ́lọ́
were.
má bá sọ̀rọ̀.
The day
Ó lè
God
tí ń
will
lọ ẹ̀ ń bọ̀ wá
speak to
gbalẹ̀.
him. He said, you are going. You
Ilẹ̀ oníjà wà
are
lórí ẹ̀dùn ní
still
olómi.
coming back to take the
Àbẹ̀jà ò
land.
sí bẹ́ẹ̀ dùn ní
And
olómi.
there is controversy over the land till
Ó
today.
ń gbé bẹ̀ bí àjòjì.
He dwelled there as a stranger.
Ọmọ tó ń jálejò.
Do you know what stranger means?
Yorùbá máa sọ pé onípọtí mọ́tò. Àwọn ẹni kó ogun má ṣe kéne. Jẹ́ kí mi pe àlejò fún ọ. The other time ta fi travel lọ sí Israel yìí.
When
Adé ẹrù o, oníkàlùkù ló ní báàgì tá a dì tán wọ̀n. Bàtà dọ̀hún ẹrù yẹn náà ó tún a lè lo ọjọ́ méjì lóòótọ́ kan ẹkẹ́rù yín a tún lọ bò mí nù. So a ò lè settle. Kí mo lá ò lè ṣe. ìlú ibi tá a
That is, we travel with some maybe simple bag.
ìlú ibi ò í ṣe ibi tá a máa settle sí.
This city is not a place
Wàá
where
gbé
you
bí
settle
fún
forever.
ọgbà
You
díẹ̀.
live just for a
Náà máa
while.
gbé ọ kúrò
Then
bẹ́ẹ̀.
you'll be removed, or you move out of it.
bó ní bàbá Abraham kú sí.
Where did Abraham die?
ó kú sílẹ̀ yẹn.
He died
Wọ́n sì
on that
sórí
land,
ilẹ̀ yẹn.
and he was buried there.
Isaac kú wọ́n sì sórí ilẹ̀.
Isaac died, he
Jacob
was
kú
buried there.
sílẹ̀. bó ló kú sí.
Jacob died
sọ sókè ka bíbélì.
in Egypt.
bó ni wọ́n sì sí. Joseph kú sí.
What about Joseph?
àwọn tó rìnrìn àjò lọ sílùú olúlu yẹn.
The sojourner to another,
ọkàn ìlérí.
they have the heart of promise.
wọ́n ń fi ìlú tí ò ní ìpìlẹ̀ sí ọkàn.
They bear in
kì í
their
ṣẹlẹ̀
mind
kínáàní yẹn gan ló wà lọ́kàn wọn.
that city
bí kò ṣe pé ìlérí ọlọ́run lórí
without
Abraham
foundation.
fún ẹni tó máa mú gbàlà wá.
But they
tó
bear
máa
in
kó wọn
mind
débi
the promises
ìsinmi.
of God for Abraham, who will, that is God that will bring them back to that place of rest. And that was why he said, Joseph said, God will visit you indeed.
ọlọ́run abẹ́ yín wó.
God will visit you.
bíbélì ni ó mú àwọn arákùnrin rẹ̀ ní ìbúra líle.
Bible says
ìbúra líle.
he made his brother to have a strong covenant with him.
tọ́lọ́run bá ti bẹ̀ yín wò ẹgbẹ́ mi débi.
When
tí
God
ẹ lọ.
visits you, make sure you carry me along with you.
torí àjíǹde á ṣẹlẹ̀.
Because resurrection must come to pass.
mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ dòní mo ti sọ lójú
I
yìí.
want you to know till today,
ìjà wà ní Jerusalem
there are controversy in Jerusalem
lórí ètò àjíǹde.
on the issue of resurrection.
kí ni mo pè. ṣé ẹ rí ibi tí temple Solomoni wà yẹn.
Where Solomon Temple was,
mosque wà ń bẹ̀.
there was a mosque there, or there is a mosque there.
ìjà wà.
There is a controversy going on.
ibì kan wà ń bẹ̀.
There was a place there.
àwọn Júù ń sìnkú sí.
The Jew bury
Àwọn
their
Mùsùlùmí
corpses
náà
there,
sìnkú tiwọn pé
and the other side,
Torí-
the Muslim bury their
Olúwa ń
corpses
bọ̀ ní
there.
tòótọ́.
Because the Lord is coming indeed,
mo fẹ́ wọ́n kókó wọn súnmọ́ temple yẹn pé àwa ló kọ́kọ́ máa
very
dìde.
close to the temple, that they will be the first to resurrect.
ibi ìkéré o.
This place is very, very small.
mo níbi iṣẹ́.
Very small.
wọ́n ń retí ìlú tí ó ní.
They were expecting
tí Ọlọ́run
a
ṣe
city with a sure foundation.
tẹ́ bá wo sẹ́sẹ̀ kẹtàlá.
In verse 13,
ẹ̀ka láti ẹsẹ̀ kẹtàlá.
gbogbo àwọn wọ̀nyí lé ó kú ní ìgbàgbọ́ láì rí ìlérí wọn nígbà ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n rí wọn lé òkèèrè réré.
gbogbo wọn yẹn pátápátá tẹ́ bá ń kà tán wọn.
all those
Látọ̀dọ̀
people
Ábẹ́lì.
reading their
látọ̀dọ̀
history
Ábẹ́lì.
from
wọn ò ní
Abel,
kankan.
they have nothing.
wọ́n lọ kọ́lé o.
Though they build
Gbàgbọ́ o.
houses,
Wọ́n
they
raṣọ
have
o.
faith.
ẹ rí tẹ́ bá rí i pé Abraham was stickily rich.
Abraham was rich.
àwọn mẹ́rin kọsẹ̀ níbẹ̀ tán ń tira wọn sínú igbó.
Some people stumble from him.
Isaac
push
ní
themselves-
owó.
Isaac was rich.
bẹ̀tẹ̀ lọ́ máa wò bó ṣe náwó rẹ̀.
But look at how he spent
Peter,
his money.
ẹgbà.
Giving out to others.
bíbélì ní ibi tí ìṣúra ẹni bá wà ní kíni máa wà. wò mí lójú tó o bá sùn. jẹ́ ìmọ̀dí tó fi nira fún wa.
You know why it
tí o
is
bá
very
ṣe ní
difficult for
tọ́lọ́run gba
us?
ọkàn rẹ̀.
If not for those who are saved.
láti gbé àgbàlagbà kan jáde nínú ìjọ tá a ti jáde. jẹ́ ìmọ̀ díẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn bàbá yẹn ló ti náwó nára sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì.
Majority of those aged people, they've spent
Wọ́n
their
invest
life
yóò, wọ́n
into
máa
those
rẹ́sì
churches.
kẹta ti invest.
It is very difficult
Ẹni tó
for
bá wá rí
them
ìgbàlà
to
pé,
just move out
òun ò
of that
ní dọ́run
place.
níbí.
Except those
Òun ò
who
ní
are
dọ́run
safe
o.
among them, that this
Òun ò ní
place
dọ́run o.
cannot lead me to
Òun ò ní
heaven.
dọ́run o.
That this, it will be difficult for him
Ẹni
to
tó
get
bá
to
gbé,
heaven
òun
here.
fẹ́ dọ́run.
Maybe few of them like that. You see them just come out of that
ọ̀gọ̀rọ̀
of
wọn
those
iṣẹ́
churches.
ẹgbẹ́ jẹun tẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ lọ.
Some of them, they are not just going there for going sake.
Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní nọ́ọ̀tì ṣẹlẹ̀ kí lè ṣí lónìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ká má rí ibi tá a pàdé àwọn tí yóò wá ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mọ́ ètì ṣí gan á wà
May God not allow what is happening in the north happen here.
àbógbọ̀ kan yọ̀dá kan gé àgbà.
For some people to just come here to ambush us here.
ó ká àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́run gí.
Majority will not come again.
rárá mi ò lọ́bẹ̀ rí o. máa rẹ́rìn pétérù gan ṣépè lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ ó ṣépè lérà ìlú.
That
ní kò bá mọ̀ rí kí olóde gbé.
many people will deny that he ever come to this church. Even Peter did it. That if he ever knew Jesus.
ibi tá à ń lọ ní pàtàkì ẹ̀yìn ọmọ
Where we are going is more important.
olúwa mú wa délé o.
May God take us
ká
there.
bíbélì òun yé mi. Jẹ́ ká
gbogbo
sáré.
àwọn wọ̀nyí ni ó kú ní ìgbàgbọ́
Ẹ̀hẹ́n,
láì rí ìlérí wọn nígbà
ẹ̀hẹ́n,
ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n rí wọn lé òkèèrè réré
ẹ̀hẹ́n,
tí wọ́n sì gbá wọn mú
ẹ̀hẹ́n.
tí wọ́n sì jẹ́wọ́ pé àlejò àti àtìpólé àwọn lórí ilẹ̀
kí ni
ayé
wọ́n jẹ́ ní ayé.
àlejò àti àtìpólé.
Confess they are
Èdè kan mo fẹ́-
stranger.
ó ní tí wọ́n bá fi ibè yẹn sọ́kàn wọ́n ráyè àti káyé lẹ́kàn.
If they bear those
Àti
things in
nítòótọ́.
mind,
lẹ́kàn.
they have chance to
Àti
put all those
nítòótọ́.
material things in
Nítòótọ́.
mind.
ìbá sí pé wọ́n fi ìlú tí wọ́n ti jáde wá sí ọkàn
wọ́n ráyè àti padà.
wọn ìbá ti rí àyè láti padà.
ẹsẹ̀ ni máa di ọ lọ́wọ́
Nobody will disturb you.
kó o ní o fẹ́ ṣe fìlà jẹ́ kí n lo èdè bàbá.
Let me
kó o ṣe
use.
kó o ṣe filatẹ́rì rẹ gbò
You want to expand your coast
kó o fi kún ìṣẹ́tí aṣọ rẹ.
to increase the
Ẹ̀sìn
bound of
ìdí
your
ọ
clothes. Nobody disturb you.
tó o bá tó pinnu pé
And if you decided
ọ̀run ni ìlú mi
that heaven is
ọ̀run
home,
nílé. ọ̀run nílé. tó o bá tó ronú ìyẹn
think
tó o
about
bá
that.
múra àwọn nǹkan tí a
Preparing
ṣe
yourself. What will we do?
láti múra láti àwọn tó ń wọ ọ̀nà fún ìlú yẹn.
Those
kí
who
la
are
fẹ́ máa mọ̀
expectant,
wọ́n?
how do we
Yẹn mo fẹ́
identify
ṣàlàyé
them?
lórí.
That's
Kí
what
la
I
fẹ́
just
mọ̀
explained.
wọ́n?
How do you
Kí
know
làwọn
them?
máa ní wọn?
What are those?
kí ni mo pè é kí ni mo pè é láwọn tó ń wọ ọ̀nà.
Those
eléyìí
who
tí
are
wọ́n á lè sọ ni
expectant.
mo máa sọ.
I
Ẹni
will
pé
just
mo ti
mention
jọ mi tòrò
some.
pé Joel Matthew orí kẹfà.
In Matthew
Ẹ jẹ́ kí kúkú
chapter
là yẹn kalẹ̀.
6,
Kò sí
let
nínú
me
àkọọ́lẹ̀ mi.
explain that.
Kí kúkú là kanlẹ̀. Matthew orí kẹfà ẹsẹ̀
Matthew chapter
kejìlélógún kẹrìnlélógún.
Verse
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n là yẹn.
18 to
Yes.
24.
Matthew orí kẹfà
Matthew 6,
mi ò kọ́ lẹ̀.
18 to
jẹ́
24.
kí n là á lórí mo ti ń tẹnu mọ́ 24 gan mò ń lọ Matthew 6 particularly 24 yes
ó sì jáde lọ ó wí fún
Matthew orí kẹfà
Matthew 6.
No one can serve two masters.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
For either he will hate the one and love the other,
ẹ̀hẹ́n,
or he will stand by and be devoted to the one
ẹ̀hẹ́n.
and despise and be against the other. You cannot serve God and mammon.
èmi ò iṣẹ́ kọ́ ẹ̀yin tí mo mamoni àìṣò ẹ̀yin tó bá ti bá mi rìn
Unrighteous mammon.
màá tutù lọ́jọ́ mi ẹ
explain
lè
that
sin
later.
Ọlọ́run
You can't
àti kí
serve
ni wọ́n
God
pè é
and mammon.
ẹ̀mí èṣù tó wà
Same
nídìí
way.
owó ni wọ́n ń pè ní mamoni.
The evil spirit behind the issue of money is what the Bible is referring to here as mammon.
ẹ máa kà á.
kò sí ẹni tí ó lè sin olúwa méjì nítorí yálà yóò kórìíra ọ̀kan yóò sì fẹ́ ìkejì tàbí
owó
yóò
lè dọ́lọ́run.
You can
Wọ́n
tell
fún wa ní
don't
owó
God as
láti
your
lò.
God.
Kí
You
wọ́n
are
ní wọ́n
given
ṣe?
money,
fún wa
to
ní owó
use.
láti lò
kí wọ́n ní wọ́n ṣe.
wọ́n fún wa ní owó
you are
láti
given
lò.
money
It's not
just to
God.
you. Kì í ṣe
ó
Ọlọ́run.
lè dọ́lọ́run.
But
ó lè
eventually you can
ó ti
turn
do-
it to an
ó
idol, you
ó
can
ti
turn
dòrìṣà
it to your
lónìí.
God.
ó tiẹ̀ ti dòrìṣà
It
dáadáa.
has even become an
Ó
idol.
túbọ̀. òun náà ṣe ń ṣẹ́ṣọ̀ torí owó.
That is why
Ó
some
ṣàkọrí.
people
àbórí kọ́ bá aṣọra wọn á kó susu gbẹ lọ́wọ́ ní ṣètọ́jà òtà.
if care is not
Wọ́n á ní kó
taken,
wẹ̀wọ́,
people
kó
will
wẹ̀ kan.
implicate you. This time that market is not
àwọn
flowing
wòlíì
as
ti
it
mi gbàdúrà sí
should
nǹkan tó
do.
máa fi tajà. Àwọn
Some
aṣọ bíi
people they will give you
Òróró
handkerchief.
tó máa dé síbẹ̀ tó àtàṣọ jà.
Just when you get to your shop,
Lórúkọ
just
Jésù.
sprinkle it.
lórúkọ Jésù.
Sprinkle it in
Kó
the
máa
name
wọ́,
of
kó máa wọ́,
Jesus.
lórúkọ Jésù.
That the customer be coming.
ẹ ó ṣoògùn ó gígùn ṣé yẹn àbí ògùn kan nìyẹn láàárọ̀ débi ọjà
When
lórúkọ Jésù
you get to your shop,
lórúkọ Jésù
you'll be
Lórúkọ
dusting
Jésù.
it with the
Ó máa wá.
handkerchief.
lórúkọ Jésù.
Dusting your market with the handkerchief in the name of Jesus.
Àtomi tí wọ́n ti gbé wá sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì nígbà tí wọ́n ń ṣèsọjí
And the water they brought to the church during crusade or during
àfi wẹ́ẹ̀tì ilẹ̀
just
àní ká má fomi wẹ́ẹ̀tì ilẹ̀.
you sprinkle it,
Yeah,
or will
yeah.
you tell them not to sprinkle the water?
Baba lóòṣà gidi àwọn baba lóòṣà a ní àwọn bóyá ní mímẹ́ bọ̀rí yarí
The chief idolater.
baba lóòṣà. ẹ ò lè sin Olúwa
You
lẹ́yìn
cannot
orúkọ
serve the
Jésù kí ni
Lord
mo pè é.
beside the name of the
Kò
Lord
dé
or in
ṣọ́ọ̀jọ́ọ̀bù ẹ
the name of
lẹ́yìn
Jesus.
kó o ṣílẹ̀kùn bẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù lórúkọ Jésù.
Aside that you get to your shop, you open the shop and pray in the name of Jesus. Thank God that is not fighting you, not sending wicked people after
Ojú
you.
ẹ ló fi ń bá mi kọ́
You
wọ́n rí o.
accompany me
Ó ṣe
with
tàná o.
favor.
Mo
You
tún
did
dé
it
lónìí o,
yesterday,
Olúwa.
today I've come.
Ìwọ ló ń mú ní tà.
You are the one who
Tó
bring
mú ní
market.
kórè.
You make me to read
Mo ní mi ò ní nájà mẹ́ta mẹ́ra o.
that I will not go to market without
Mo ti súre
selling.
lé mi lórí
You
o.
bless me.
Èpè òjà mi mọ́ o.
Cause is no more running upon
Torí
me.
ẹbọ olóhùn dúdú ti dórí
Because the
ìtẹ́lẹ̀
sweet
ní
smelling
òkè.
savour is before thee.
O lè yan ẹsẹ̀ tó wù ẹ́.
You can select
O lè
any
gbà
verse,
ní
Bible
jókì.
verses.
Bó
You
o
may
tó ráyè
pray.
gbà lọ́jọ́ mi.
And if you don't have time at time, maybe the
máa
one
tajà lọ rẹpẹtẹ.
just continue to sell.
Mo ní kó o máa ṣe lọ. Ìgbà míì kọ́sítọ́mà gan lè má ti jẹ́ kó ráyè sọ pé lórúkọ Jésù nígbà tó ti
Even
máa
at
dé.
time, customer may disturb you from praying.
Tó bá ń fi gbàgbọ́ rìn.
If
ìgbà
you
míì,
walk with faith.
àwọn kọ́sítọ́mà ò ní jẹ́ kó fẹ́ ti ṣọ́ọ̀bù.
There are at time the customer will be disturbing you to close your shop. You are the one that will take your stand. This is time for Bible study. Meet me tomorrow morning.
Mẹ́ma nájà mẹ́ta mẹ́ra.
mo ní ṣàṣeyọwọ́.
Ẹ̀yin ló máa gbé e ó ti dàrú.
ní alẹ́ rẹ̀ mi ò ní nájà mẹ́ta mẹ́ra èmi ò ní pòfo nípa ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù tó kú tó jíǹde màá ṣàṣeyọrí o mo sọ.
Nígbà bá ti wá ń tó lu jìbìtì tó wẹ̀wúre.
You are not dubious, no sham.
Ó ti ń débi báyìí.
It's getting to a
Wáìnì
point
lọ́sọ̀pà yẹn.
that the wine,
Wọ́n lè
the
dá sínú
Lord Supper's
ike.
wine, they may put it in a cup
Lórúkọ
or
Jésù. Lórúkọ Jésù.
in a small
Kí ni a
bottle
ṣe ní ká ṣe wáìnì?
and sprinkle it in the shop. What is the instruction given for wine of the bread baking?
Yóò wúrẹ́.
Taking it to the shop.
Omi lọ́sọ̀pà sórí ọjà. Ọbọ̀. Bàbá náà ṣá ti wọnú ìjọ.
Breaking a Lord Supper's bread into your shop.
Tó bí Ọlọ́run
Just
nínú
for you to
gbogbo
sell.
nìyẹn.
Those are
Òrìṣà.
things that
Torí
influence
owó.
God
Torí kí ni mo
just
gbé?
because of money.
Ẹ wá ń bú àwọn Boko Haram àtàwọn ajínigbé.
And
Àwọn
you are
ajínigbé sọ fún
now
wọn ní this is our
abusing
business.
this
We are making
kidnapper.
money here.
Pé ibẹ̀ náà làwọn ti ń pawó.
Àwọn ọmọ tó ń gbé nínú ọ̀tọ̀ ọmọ schools tó ń gbé yẹn.
Those students
Wọ́n
that
sọ iye
were
ọ̀kadà tó máa gbé wá.
took away.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ ọ̀kadà fún wọn. Wọ́n ló ti kù. Wọ́n ní ká tó release wọn ẹ̀kọ́ iye ọ̀kadà báyìí.
They requested
Wọ́n
for
wọ̀ kàlá mi ò ráyè
numbers
ká
of
kó pẹ̀lú ẹ̀dá
machines.
ẹni. Jẹ́ 500 million kọ́nà ní kán mú wá.
They were asking for another 500 million. Just yesterday I was
Wọ́n níbi ibi táwa ti
I
ń
saw
jẹun
the
nìyẹn.
caption
Èyí náà ń
that-
jẹun níbi òṣèlú. Oúnjẹ
that
wa
is
nìyẹn.
where they heal.
Iṣẹ́ àṣejẹun wa nìyẹn.
That is their own job.
Àwa onígbàgbọ́ Bíbélì.
We
Àwa ló
Bible
máa fi
believers,
àpẹẹrẹ
we are the
lélẹ̀.
one that will lay the example.
Mo náà fi lélẹ̀. Èyí
We
àwa
have
ló
to
máa fi
lay
hàn
the
pé
example.
ọ̀run ni ilé ní tòótọ́.
We
Ó
must
ní
show
ilé wà.
that heaven is our home.
Bí ayé wa.
Our
Bí a ṣe ń ṣe
lifestyle,
lórí owó. ló
our
máa fi hàn
behaviors
pé ọ̀run
on
ni ilé.
money, we show that heaven is home.
máa kà á lọ 24 mo ní kó kà gan ó ti dé bẹ́ẹ̀.
kò sí ẹni tí ó lè sin olúwa méjì
àbí
nítorí yálà yóò kórìíra ọ̀kan
àbí
yóò sì fẹ́ èkejì
ó ti kù díẹ̀.
tàbí yóò faramọ́ ọ̀kan
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
yóò sì yan èkejì ní ìpọ̀sí
Ahan,
ẹ̀yin kò lè sin olúwa pẹ̀lú mámónì
ahan.
nítorí náà mo wí fún yín ẹ má ṣe ṣe àníyàn nítorí ẹ̀mí yín ohun tí ẹ ó jẹ àti fún ara yín ohun tí ẹ ó fi bora ẹ̀mí kò ha ju oúnjẹ lọ tàbí ara ni kò ju aṣọ lọ.
ó dà lọ ka 24 mò ń kánjú ó ti kà á
bẹ́ẹ̀
ibi tí mo fẹ́ lò bóyá Matthew kọ́ ló gbé ẹ fi ìṣúra yín sí
nítorí náà ṣùgbọ́n ẹ tò ìṣúra yín jọ fún ara yín lé ọ̀run
ní ọ̀run.
níbi tí kòkòrò àti ìpáàrà kò lè
tí kòkòrò
bàjẹ́.
àti ìpáàrà ẹsẹ̀ kéde lẹ́ka ní Matthew yẹn ó wà
verse
ní
20
ẹ ṣe ẹsẹ̀ ogun ó wà ní Lúùkù náà
àti
níbi tí
níbi
kòkòrò
Where
àti ìpáàrà kò
war
lè ṣe kí ni mo gbé.
and
kò lè
canker
bàjẹ́ àti níbi
and
tí
not
àwọn olè
ruining.
kò lè rúnlẹ̀ kí wọ́n sì jalè.
ìgbà tí Chíàsì já níjọ́sí
when there was a crash
collapse.
in Cheers
torí ẹlòmíì tí kò gbogbo ayé ẹ̀
some
torí
years back, some people collapsed because some people really trusted in shares.
kò máa ra dọ́là báyìí
For you to be buying
kò máa ló
dollar,
báyìí ó lè máa ra dọ́là
you can be
tó bá yá
buying
dọ́là
dollar.
tó máa já
A time will come when dollars will crash.
ọ̀hún kí wọ́n gbé dọ́là kan fún ẹ báyìí ó mọ iye tó máa gbà
If you are given a dollar now,
$1 ọgbà $500 straight
you will just take 500 naira.
ìgbà tí gbogbo ẹ̀ tó ń já níjọ́sí
When
àwọn èèyàn lọ ń ra
things
gold
were crashing
Gold,
some
you
times
don't
ago,
die.
they started buying gold, and that one crashed also.
ṣé ẹ dédé ilé
The one that you keep
òun ní tiẹ̀
home, that
ọ̀nà
you, that
mélòó
you
ló fi
send
jẹ́ tiẹ̀
home,
kó
is
o tó
yours.
lọ níbí
Before you go
tó
here,
o fi sílé yẹn
those things that you
nígbà
are
tí
keeping
ọ̀nà bá
there,
dé Ọlọ́run á lànà fún
when things are hard, there will be open doors.
tí ara bá ń ní ayé
When the world is being
òjò á máa rọ̀
afflicted,
lé ọ lórí báyìí
there will be
òjò á máa rọ̀ lé ọ lórí
raining
báyìí
upon you.
òjò á máa rọ̀ lé ọ lórí ní bí báyìí
God
kìí
will
tí
be,
ìṣọ̀run
will be shower
Bọ̀bá
His
dé.
blessing upon you.
welcome àkìwá
And by the time you
ẹ̀kú
departed
àbọ̀
from this,
sílé ní gbàgbọ́
then they welcome you home.
Question àkọ́kọ́ bẹ̀. Yóò kọjá, yóò kọjá. Lóra àtẹ̀kùn àdógbè. Ọwọ́ máa kí wa, ẹ̀kú àbọ̀. Mo ń wo àwọn ilé tó ga tó ga tó ga tó ga tó ga nínú ayé lónìí.
I was looking at those
Tí
skyscrapers.
ọba lọ kú sí àjà 58 tí lift ò bá dá ibẹ̀ ló máa kẹ̀ sí.
If you die at the
Ẹni àsán
58th
kalẹ̀.
floor and the lift is not working,
Torí lálá tó rògbè
nobody
bó ló
will
ń
brought you
wọ̀.
down. Nobody will bring you down.
Bá dẹ̀ ti ló jáde kó òun ilé tó ti ń kẹ́ ẹ lọ yìí.
And you move out
Bó mọ̀ kó ti.
of the corruptible one. We are only taking care of
Ọlọ́run
it.
ṣe à ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ ni.
Just taking care of it.
Lọ wo ra rẹ̀ o young.
Go and look at yourself. You are not younging.
Omi gbó lọ.
You are growing old
Bá ti jáde
daily.
báyìí.
But the moment you step
Wọ́n á
out of
fọ̀nà
that,
ẹ̀. Wọ́n á kí
they
ẹ
will
kú
show
àbọ̀.
you the way and welcome
Come
you.
in. ní ilé bàbá mi ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀
In my father's house,
ibùgbé ló ń ṣe
There are
kéne.
so many mansions there.
owó tó fi ránṣẹ́ bí
The money you
Na máa
sent
fi kọ́lé dè
there,
ọ́.
they will use it to build for you
tó bá
there.
ṣe níbí
What you
na
do
máa fi
here
tọ́jú ilé rẹ.
is what they will use to
tó
take
fi
care
ran
of
ìjọ lọ́wọ́
your.
tó fi ran àwọn ẹlòmíì
What you use to help others
na
to
máa
help
fi ibi ó bá ṣe
is
dé ló
what-
máa bá.
Where you, the level at which you build it up to.
bóyá
That
lè
is
tiẹ̀
what,
ní
where
ẹni
you
pààlù
need it.
lórí.
Maybe your own is getting a roofing sheet.
bó o bá ṣe pé kí lè ẹ rí.
The way you want your own
Wọ́n náà
house
mọ̀
to
mí.
be.
mi ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kó fowó lẹ̀ mẹ́ẹ̀mà fagídí mú ọ
I won't force you.
mẹ́ẹ̀mà lé ọ ká.
I will not pursue you.
jésù mo máa ṣe fún ọ.
I won't do
pé kí mo
anything
ṣẹ̀kọ́ mo ṣe ń ṣẹ̀kọ́ kí mo
than
ṣe
for
fi lọ.
me to teach.
wàhálà àwọn tẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù.
They are so troublesome.
bẹ́ẹ̀ kò kú bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ.
I'm not begging you, and I will not.
n bá ti fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́
If I want to work,
iṣẹ́ olúwa
the work of God,
n bá ti kúnlẹ̀ àdúrà
when
màá bọ́ sílé àdúrà.
I kneel
olúwa
down.
lọ́wọ́ sí àpò mi.
Lord, supply the money.
mo fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ báyìí báyìí.
I want to do so work.
tọ́lọ̀ ń bá ti fẹ́ kí n ṣe ní àkókò yẹn.
If God wants me to do it at
tí
that
o bá ti
moment,
fẹ́ kí n ṣe
and
owó
God
yẹn
will
ò ní
provide
jáde
for
mi ò
it,
ní lọ báǹkì lọ gbowó.
I will not go to bank to borrow money.
bá jẹ́ pé báǹkì mo ti gbowó àwọn ti gbé mi o.
If
Torí kí ni àwọn
peradventure
báńkì máa
have
dúró sí?
borrowed money from bank, maybe they must have taken
ilé
it
ìdájà
away.
àkókò ọ̀rẹ́ tí gbogbo yín máa ṣe kúlú ọ̀yẹn. wàá rí tẹ́ bá ti ń dá oríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà tó wó fi máa jáde kalẹ̀
When
tẹ́ ń ṣe tó wó
they
fi
are
máa jáde
trying
owó
to
báńkì
make
ń
money.
ké owó ọmọ fẹ́ gbowó báńkì
They
máa
are
wá gbowó
trying
wọn.
to make money for the bank. That is the money they've borrowed.
à ń pè mí kalẹ̀ olùkọ́ àwọn ìpè mí ní báńkì.
You think they don't call me? They call me
ìgbà tó wá
in the
kọ́kọ́
bank.
wọ owó tí mílíọ̀nù tí níyì tó bẹ́ẹ̀ lé.
Million is
ìgbà
not
tó
that
wá
popular.
kọ́kọ́ wọ mílíọ̀nù.
When the church money first
àwọn
reach
ìpè mo fẹ́
million,
gbowó jáde lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀.
they don't know I want to bring it out.
abẹ́ ra bọ́ọ̀sì àwọn ará owó yẹn ń bọ́ sínú
We
àkáǹtì.
want to
So
buy
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
a
kára
ball.
mo fún mi lága dáadáa mo jókòó.
They invited me. They gave me a chair.
sọ̀yìnbó bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ní sọ gbogbo
Started
bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́yìn kẹ́
speaking grammar.
ẹjọ́ kejì ni mo fi ṣẹ́ẹ̀kì kó.
The second day,
mo dáadáa lè ti dúró
I
dè
took
mí.
the money. One of our brother here is waiting for me to buy the balls.
eye tá a ra nígbà ẹ̀mí á lè ríra bẹ́ẹ̀ mẹ́.
We cannot see that price anymore, even double.
ẹ̀yin wo wàá rí àwọn máa wá ṣọ́ọ̀bù yín o.
They'll be coming to your
wọ́n ti wá
shop.
ṣọ́ọ̀bù rẹ rí. ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ ò tí ì ṣe wọn bóyá ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ ò tí ì jọ.
Maybe
wọ́n wá báyìí.
your
wọ́n á
shop
jókòó
is.
wọ́n á fẹ́ help ẹ.
They will sit down just to help you.
wọ́n á fẹ́ help ẹ.
They want you to borrow.
wọ́n á fẹ́ help ẹ.
They want to help you.
wọ́n á fún ẹ ní lecture bó ṣe máa ń.
They give you
bí
some
ọjà ẹ ṣe máa tà.
a brief
wọ́n ṣe
training
máa gbowó.
how you can
wọ́n á kọ́
sell.
bó ṣe fẹ́ jẹ gbèsè.
They will train you
Kó máa
how
bá
to be
potential life.
indebted.
mo ti sọ fún yín kó bá ní kí mi gbẹnu sọ̀hún gbọ̀n bá mú ẹ èmi kọ́ ni ò ní sùn wọ́n ni ò ní sùn.
If
wọ́n
you
gbà
shun
sọ́mọ ìyàwó
off,
báńkì o.
You are the one that will not sleep. Don't borrow bank money.
wọ́n ti kọ́ ọ̀yìn mọ́ ìyàwó báńkì o.
I've taught
Wọ́n
you.
kú o.
Don't borrow bank money.
fi ìṣúra rẹ síbi tí. tó kó bá sì wọ kẹ́nìkan bá sọ fọlọ́run fún mi lówó á fún mi lówó.
If I
á
want
fún mi
money from
kò tiẹ̀
God,
lè ṣe
He
kó má
will
fún mi
do.
ní.
He cannot
Ìgbé
but
ṣe pé mo
answer
fẹ́
me.
jẹ́ ó máa
Because
pé
I
mi
don't
ò
want
ní
to
jẹ́
eat
náà.
it. God knows I
Máa pé
won't
oníṣẹ́
eat the
òun
money.
fi ṣe náà, wá
I want
dá
to
sí
use
mi
it for
lápò
His
náà.
work. He must provide it.
tí mo bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ ra aṣọ mẹ́kàn ìgbàdúrà aṣọ ni.
It's
Ọlọ́run
only I
jẹ́ kí
don't
mi
pray
gbàdúrà
for
rẹ̀,
clothes.
wọ́n máa ń rà á fún mi.
People do
Ìyẹn ò
buy
sí
it
nínú
for
ẹ̀mí àdúrà mi.
me. It's not in my
Ẹ̀ẹ́dá.
prayer
Olúwa, mo
my
ní
prayer
ìdí aṣọ.
point
Mo ní
that
ìdí
God
aṣọ.
I need clothes.
ìyàwó mi nìkan ni mo máa ń gbógun tì. màá ní kó yí ó yá ó yá ó yá ó yá.
It's only my wife that
onìkan mo máa ń gbógun tì.
I threaten her.
ṣùgbọ́n òun gan mọ̀ mẹ́ gbógun tì lọ́gbà mi tó bá ń bá fi spẹ́ ṣe fáàrí sí màá ní ó yá gbé jáde ń sìn tó bá ti gbé jáde ọlọ́run á fúlù ẹ̀ ń sìn yìí.
Anytime that she decided not to answer me on time, I will tell her,
pé
God
lẹ́ẹ̀ máa
will
gbówó fún ẹ̀ ń sìn.
just provide it, I will give you money.
bá dẹ̀ ti déjọ́ mi mo lè gbé 1,000 fún báyìí.
I can give her 1,000 naira at times.
ẹ máa rẹ́rìn èló mo fi fẹ́ lówó ńlá èló mo fi fẹ́.
How much do I spend then?
alákọ̀wé àpò 5 tó jiná.
Educated,
ọmọ iye tó ń pè lápò ni.
1,000 naira.
àwọn alápò ní 1,200 naira lápò gan. Jésù àrùn wà lọ́wọ́ o.
May God help us.
ayé ẹ̀ nípa ayé bọ̀rùn jẹ́ o.
May we not destroy heaven with
mo ń
this
ṣe kó
world.
lè mo ń ṣe bí àwàdà kó lè
Saying it just like a joke for a better
kó lè
understanding.
yé yín.
For a better
a kò
understanding.
mọ nǹkan wá sí.
We brought nothing to this world,
ó dáni lójú pé
and it's
a ò ní ṣe
sure,
kéde.
certainly, we are taking
kò sùn
nothing
tá a máa
out
fi
of
mọ̀
it.
pé ó wáyé.
Nothing will be
Kò sí-
used to
kò sí-
recognize
kò
your
sí
coming
kan-
to this
kò
world.
sí kan.
Nothing.
ebi last week mo ti sọ fún yín
I was saying it last week.
bàbá mi kọ́lé kékeré
My father built just a simple house.
mẹ́sẹ̀ kà fún wọn ẹ ṣe pé mò ń bàjẹ́ bàbá mi
It's not
dáadáa.
wickedness.
ojoojúmọ́ ni mo máa ń dúpẹ́.
He is my father. I
Mi ò lè
thank
gbàgbé
God
láíláí.
for
mo
him
ti lọ
daily.
sílé ọ̀hún lọ́sẹ̀ tó kọjá
I went to that house just last week.
mi ò délé rẹ̀. mẹ́kàn délé ẹyẹ kan mo lọ fúnra mi mo sọ fún pọ̀pọ́ mi mo ní mo fẹ́ kúrò ní atẹ́gùn Iléṣà mo ní mo fẹ́ lọ sinmi lọ́sí mo fẹ́ lọ sinmi mi ò nílé ẹni tí ò lè jẹ́ kí n sọ pé mi ò wá àyàn ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan wà lọ́sítù nídò.
Except one of my friends that was admitted to Ido Hospital.
ẹsẹ̀ yẹn ti ní
He
problem
fell, though-
níbí 1952 níbí yìí ti ní problem.
Since
so bó
1952,
ṣe ń rìn rè
he had a problem
ó ti wá dé ṣètò jẹ́ pé àti dìde lórí bẹ́ẹ̀
with the girdle, and
So
it's
the one
now
only
getting
who won
worse.
ó wá ṣubú.
And he fell.
àwọn kan lára yín á mọ ọ̀rẹ́ mi yẹn
Some people may know
olókọ́lé
him.
sẹ́bàálẹ̀ bàbá rẹ̀ tí ò ti rántí ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó wá ṣubú
He fell down.
ẹ̀ ṣáà wàá gbé lọ sí hospital ara mi
He
gbé
was
náà
taken to the
ó ṣáà
hospital.
dọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀
I went to
gbàgbọ́ wá sọ
him
fún mi
when
mo lọ́lọ́run kan
he
mọ̀ mọ́
told
fẹ́
me.
kọ̀rẹ́ tẹ̀ nígbò débẹ̀ egungun bíi ti yìnrìn yìnbó yọ́ dànù wọ́n ti fi
They
bíi sí.
remove it and put another one.
mo dé òun ló fẹ́ jẹ́ kí n lé tìdí padà àgbàlá náà
I almost
wọ́n ti
lay
fún un ní kíkàn kó máa fi tì.
for leaders meeting yesterday. He was given a walking stick. Later, he will just discard that.
mo wá lọ kíá
The bone at
mo ní olùjọ́ kí n sọ
Mitain
pé mi ò délé ẹnikẹ́ni má bàbá mi jà
is
bàbá
the
mi
only
fẹ́ràn mi.
place where I can
kó bá tiẹ̀
say
jóore
I
kan
visited during my,
tó torí tèmi tí òjò yà á láàyè
even for only that singular hour.
torí èmi
For
ìgbà
my
ìbá
sake,
gbogbo yẹn
He never become the high priest.
tó bóyá tó bá wọ bẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ àdàrú o.
Maybe if I enter that shrine, maybe the day I accept Christ, things will be
ní
thwarted.
orí náà
But I never get
torí èdè
there.
tán máa lò ní pé ẹni tó bá ti jọmọ lé wa
Their language, their common language is anyone that failed to visit that shrine
tí mo ní kò ṣe
is blind.
é o.
Such people are
Mo bá fẹ́
blind.
sọ̀rọ̀ níjẹta. Mo ní àwọn ọmọ yẹn ń kọ́.
I was discussing with a friend.
ẹ̀yin ní orí
Day
náà
before
o
yesterday.
jẹ́ kọ́mọ ẹ̀ rí náà
If
ẹni
you
bá
don't-
ti kàwé kò rí náà.
You don't train your child, you are blind.
Nothing to show.
Kò sí ohunkóhun tán lè fi hàn.
bàbá mi lóko
My father has farm.
n bá wọnú oko yẹn báyìí máa ṣìnà.
If I should enter into that farm now, possibly
ayé bàbá
I may miss the
àgbà
road.
ò kàn serious. tí o bá ṣe pásítọ̀ yín ìlóko
If not
oko
for
yẹn á gbé
one of the pastor at Iloko, perhaps we will lost that far.
jọ́ wo ló ń gan ti débẹ̀ mọ́.
When last had it
àbí
get?
mo bá ran kó lọ képo wá.
Maybe occasionally when I sent him to go and bring the yearly.
ọjọ́ kan mo wọ bẹ̀
Palm oil.
mo wọ bẹ̀ ọjọ́ tí mo ń sọ fún àwọn ọmọ yẹn.
I went there some times
Wọ́n rẹ́rìn.
ago.
Mo sọ pé òun tẹ̀ kó ti tẹ̀ fẹ́ para yín lé.
Things that you want to sit
wọ́n ní wọ́n
with.
ti débẹ̀ mọ́.
When last did you go there?
yé Mr. Obi tó wà níbí. Mr. Obi mo pe nígbà tó wà nílé toríjọ́ tí bàbá mi ti kú báyìí ó gbé obì lọ obì oṣó.
The day my dad died, the kola nut refused to produce very good. One of them, he must have harvested the thing and sell it off. He dwelled in the farm. Ask him now, when last did he go to that farm? Oh, his father's farm, 300,000 in a year. The day I mentioned that money, he was surprised. What do you use that to do?
Nothing to show that you have come here.
Kò sí nǹkan kan tó lè fi ṣàfihàn yìí pé o kọjá níbí.
Gbàyìngbà tí bàbá mi aṣọ ọba alówó rẹ̀ bá tún ṣe kúrẹ́ ìjọ ìgbà tó owó yẹn gun ó ní òun fẹ́ fẹ́yàwó kékeré kan báyìí.
When my father was still alive, he was saying he want to marry an educated person. Apart from those who cannot write a letter, those who doesn't know anything. And where is the money then? Nothing to show for it except for his children. If we don't accept Christ, we must have become anything or some other things.
Nothing to show.
Wọ́n rí ohunkóhun láti fi hàn.
Màá fún yín láwọn àwòmọ́ ni.
I will give you
some. Gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ jókòó tí tójú wa ń tanná.
All those things that we see, we that want to die because of this, die because of that. The politician, you want to get money, go there.
Gbàdúrà pé ń tọ́ àwọn olóṣèlú ń bá yí kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kó bá yí.
Can you pray that what you want to be rich like politicians and what they are passing through? What they are passing through, can you pray that you should be passing through such things? Some of them are eating human flesh. They don't eat just ordinary meat, but human flesh. The issue of kidnapping. Not all of them are making kidnap for money. They give them money. They kill some of those who are kidnapped. Those who are preparing it for them, they are there. You are not their flesh. You are not for them. Even if accidentally it happens, they will release you. You can't be useful for them. You can't be useful for them. They will just drop you where to get people. Because the moment you get there, you destroy everything. You don't know the power in you will destroy their shaft. Let anyone go and call. Their cause will return to them. Their curses, all their curses. As they love curses, the curses will be after them. If you should point those curses against you as a believer, if you don't know your words, you are very great. It's only you don't know your words. You don't know your words. Any witches that conspire against you, if they are not careful, they are in trouble. That conspire against you, and you are just sleeping. You don't even mention Jesus yet. You never mention that they are meeting. They are in trouble. Touch not my anointed. I'm not my prophet. Accompany them from one nation to another nation. Never allow anyone to harm them. Did Israel know when Balaam and Balak were cursing them? Did they know? You don't need to know. Maybe anybody is cursing you.
That's why I don't like some of you.
Ó ní ò jẹ́ kí n fẹ́ràn àwọn kan nínú wa. When you have a simple dream, you be forgetting. Who are those people that have come? Where are they?
If God could be so kind to
reveal
a little to you, some came out of your fears.
bóyá nínú ìbẹ̀rù wa gan láti láàlá that we are fearful.
gbogbo ẹnu mo lè fi sọ.
I can say it with all boldness.
gbogbo ẹni bá pàdé lórí ẹ̀ wọ́n á rọ̀nà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ.
All those who conspire against themselves into trouble for your sake.
I have so many personal examples.
Mo ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìrírí ìtara mi.
tó bá lẹ́ni tó yẹ mo ti ẹ ti mọ̀ tó bá lẹ́ni tó yẹ ká tẹ pa ní lóṣù Èkìtì.
If there are any person that they ought to have killed in my own
tí ò
town
ṣe é palẹ̀ ń wò.
because of their.
mo ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi nígbà táwọn ọmọ yẹn sọ pé kó máa àwọn pákó ṣe é pa wọ́n bá
That
lójú
is
báyìí
why
pé tí ọwọ́ ò bá
I thought
tẹ̀
of my friend.
ọwọ́ àtẹ̀ ìṣẹ́pẹ́.
They meet him physically that if they cannot handle him, they
bọ́ọ̀ ṣe
handle
lẹ́yìn
children.
wọ́n wá bá ṣe ìwọ yìí.
Physically,
tọwọ́ ò bá tẹ̀ tí ọwọ́ àtẹ̀
if they are unable to handle you, we will handle your children.
ta lóru ìṣẹ́pẹ́.
And he asked them, who bear the branches?
ẹgbọ́n ta lóru ìṣẹ́pẹ́.
Who bear those
Lọ́rùn
branches?
ṣẹ́pẹ́.
mo ló o tí ì pàyájọ́ tán.
And he said, and I told him, you've
gbogbo
not
lóru
finished.
ìtì.
That you should have told them that the root bear the trunk.
Eo.
The root bear
Tani
the trunk.
gbogbo Jésè.
Who is that root
Ta
of
ló
Jesse?
rù wá?
Who bear?
Ta ló rù wá?
Jesus bear.
Ìsíwárù ìṣẹ́pẹ́.
Then the trunk bear the
Ẹni
branches.
pé bọ́wọ́ ò bá ká ọ wá ká wọn ọmọ ẹ̀.
It means if they cannot catch you, they can catch your children. Your child cannot die.
Ọlọ́run ló mú lọ.
Anyone that die among them is by God. I have some that die among. Nobody killed my child.
Nobody. Mi ò tí ẹ̀ gbà yẹn wọlé rí.
I don't even accept that.
Accident ló pa ilé ètò kú kẹ́yìn.
Maybe accident killed the last one, and no one killed him.
Gbogbo ayé ti ya ọ̀nà máa lé mi nílé ṣá.
And
Ẹ̀jẹ̀
they
náà
said-
máa lé. Ṣé mi múná rà mí á?
Do I send myself?
Tolúwa ní ilẹ̀ àti
The
kíni.
land is of the Lord,
Ayé.
the world and its inhabitants.
Màá gorí rẹ̀.
I walk upon you, land, and I will do good.
Ilẹ̀.
Lọ́rọ̀ Olúwa. Ilẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ Olúwa. Látòní lọ, máa gorí rẹ̀, máa ṣe rere.
Òfin ilẹ̀. Jẹ́ n parí ẹ̀kọ́.
The Lord of the land,
Òfin ilẹ̀.
the Lord of the
Mọ̀
land.
bọ̀rìṣà lórí ilẹ̀ yìí.
Don't worship idol upon this land.
Ó ní torí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ilẹ̀ bí àwọn yẹn jáde.
For
Ilẹ̀
this
bí ọ̀dà.
reason, this land
Ilẹ̀
pushed
abá ọjà.
those people away. The land will fight you if you worship idol upon it.
Ríkà Jésù abòrìṣà. Ilẹ̀ bí ọjà.
Calling the name of of Jesus in the name of idol
Òfin ilẹ̀.
of the
Tó bá
land.
fẹ́ kó dá fún ọ lórí
You
ilẹ̀.
want
Tí o ti ń
it to be
gbọ́.
well with you upon this land.
Má ta ẹ̀jẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
Shed no blood.
Má ṣe ohunkóhun tẹ́nikẹ́ni á fi kú mọ́ ọ lọ́wọ́.
Do nothing contrary.
Yálà
And people
nínú
will die
ẹ̀tanú.
through your
Yálà
action.
nínú pé orojọ́ rẹ̀ ní
Maybe by
kúkúrú.
envy
Má
or
jẹ́
by
kí ẹ̀mí kan
backbiting.
bọ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
Let
Má bà
not
ẹnikẹ́ni
any
jẹ́.
soul
Òfin ilẹ̀.
died in your hand. That is the law of the land.
Tó o bá ti ṣe yẹn.
As you don't do that, it must be well with you upon the land.
Bọ̀wọ̀ fún bàbá àti
Honor.
kí ọjọ́ rẹ̀ kí ó lè. Wo lọ́ka Mósè wàá rí òfin orí ilẹ̀.
Go and read Moses, you see the law of the land.
Pé tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́
God
kílẹ̀
gave
yẹn
it to
dá
them.
fún yín.
You want to be blessed upon this land.
Ilẹ̀ ń bínú.
The
Inú
land
ilẹ̀
is
á máa
furious.
sí ọba yìí.
But the land will be pleased with you. Don't worship any idol on it.
Wọ́n jẹ́ kẹ́mi bọ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ níbẹ̀.
Don't let any soul of human being.
Wọ́n débẹ̀ ara ẹ̀ ní pé kó dáríjì nìyẹn òfin orí ilẹ̀ nìyẹn.
One of them is for you to
Wọ́n lẹ̀ kánú.
forgive. No
Wọ́n
envy.
bẹ ẹnikẹ́ni jẹ́ tẹ́niyàn fi táwọn ẹlòmíràn fi bá ọ pa. Wàá ló pànìyàn sínú àwọn ẹ̀ bá ọ
Don't
pa.
envy anybody till people will help you to
Yorùbá ní
kill.
arojú ẹ̀ ní ṣe kéne.
They will kill such those person on your behalf.
Lórí ilẹ̀
Upon the land,
fẹ́ fúnni
give
a ó sì fi fún ọ.
and you be given.
Ṣoore lórí ilẹ̀.
Do good upon the land.
Ilẹ̀ a máa sún ni.
And the blessing will be erupting. It will do you good.
Inú ilẹ̀ á máa dùn sí ọ
The
ni.
land will be happy
Ilẹ̀ tó
at
ń
you.
gbé ènìyàn mi kò ní gbé ọ.
The land that is swallowing people will never swallow you.
Ilẹ̀ tó ń bá ọmọ kẹjà kò ní bá ọjà.
The land that is contrary to some people will never be contrary to you.
Wàá
Where
tà
some
níbẹ̀ wá.
people are and they are not selling, you will buy and sell there.
Ní múra lé nìyẹn.
That is preparation for home.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ máa parí ẹ̀kọ́ sí. Mi ò sọ òfin ilẹ̀ tán ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí tí mo sọ yẹn dìímú.
I mentioned the field of the law of the land. Hold it.
So kúrò níbi omi àdúrà, kúrò níbi òróró àdúrà,
Leave
kúrò níbi
although-
gbogbo túràrí.
Insane.
Fínà méjì lórí
Water.
ilẹ̀ ló ń fínà méjì. Ilẹ̀ gan fínà mọ́.
You are not careful, the land will even threaten you.
Ilẹ̀.
The land.
Ilẹ̀.
The land.
Ilẹ̀. O gbọ́ bí bàbá gan ló ń sọ fún Mósè.
Even God was telling Israel,
Ilẹ̀ yẹn ló
or
bí
telling
àwọn yẹn
Moses,
jáde.
those,
Ẹ má jẹ́ kí ilẹ̀ bí yín
that
jáde.
land, push those people out. Don't allow this land to push you out as well.
Gbójú ẹ sókè wọ ọ̀nà.
Look up onto that path.
Ibi yìí ò ní pẹ́ mọ́.
This place will not
Parí
take
ẹ̀.
long.
Kọ́lé mi lẹ́yìn. Ò ní pẹ́ mọ́ rárá.
ọjọ́ náà súnmọ́lé tí Jésù yóò fi dé.
Sórí nǹkan gbọ́ láàárọ̀ yìí tó múra rẹ̀.
Did you hear anything this morning?
Ọjọ́ náà kò ní pẹ́ mọ́ rárá. Ọjọ́ náà súnmọ́lé.
Ṣẹ́rí ẹ̀ máa kó bọ́lá ọ̀sán.
Bow down and talk to God.
Jésù yóò fi dé, ṣé ó múra sílẹ̀? Ìwọ ni wọ́n níbẹ̀, múra fún ọjọ́ náà, kò ní pẹ́ mọ́ rárá.
Bóyá wàá dìde wàá kúnlẹ̀ bọ́lọ́hún sọ̀rọ̀.
Take whatever position convenient for you.
Bọ́lọ́hún sọ̀rọ̀ níbi tó bá gbọ́ ọmọ tó bá yí ọmọ
Talk
láàárọ̀
to
yìí.
God to the level of your understanding this morning.
ẹ ń ṣí wa lójú
You open our eyes
pé káwa náà gbójú
so that we can
sókè
look up
káwa náà wòkè
and look up
fún ìlú ọlọ́run yìí
for the
ibi tó
spirit
pèsè
of
sílẹ̀
God that
fún
you
wa
prepare for
bàbá
us.
mi máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́
Thank
yín
you.
lórúkọ Jésù Kristi Olúwa gba
Father,
ọpẹ́
Lord,
wa o
accept our thanks
torí wípé ẹ
Because
sọ fún wa pé
you are telling
àìsí
us
ẹni ayé
that we don't belong to
àìsí
God.
ẹni ara
We don't belong to the flesh.
pé ìlú ìbílẹ̀ wa ń bẹ
That our
lọ́run
homeland is in heaven.
Jésù ní kó tó bá jẹ́ pé kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mi
If
ìbá ti
it's
sọ
not so,
fún
I
yín
will tell you
pé mò ń lọ láti lọ
that
pèsè àyè
going to prepare
sílẹ̀.
a place.
Bàbá mi máa
Father,
dúpẹ́
we thank
lórúkọ
you.
Jésù Kristi Olúwa gba
Father,
ọpẹ́
accept
wa
our thanks.
ní orúkọ Jésù
Father,
Olúwa gba ìyìn
Accept
wa
our praise.
báyẹn la fi wá ń gbàdúrà
Now we're praying.
pé kẹjọ kẹràn wá lọ́wọ́
Help us.
pé kẹjọ kẹràn wá lọ́wọ́
Help us.
kí ayé yìí má mú wa
That
mọ́lẹ̀
this land should
kí
not
àwọn
delay
tó wà
us.
nù ayé yìí kán má
What
mú wa
this world
mọ́lẹ̀
not delay us.
lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa ràn wá lọ́wọ́
Help us.
ní orúkọ Jésù Olúwa ràn wá
Father,
lọ́wọ́
help us.
ẹ̀tàn ló wà nínú ayé
Deceit is in this
èké
world.
ló wà nínú ayé.
Everything is in this
Olórí
world.
Sàtánì ń pa
Satan is
tí a máa
lying.
wà títí.
That will be permanent
Tó máa wà
forever.
títí ń bì yìí.
Nobody is permanent here.
Àgbàdúrà pé kẹràn
We
wá
pray that
lọ́wọ́
you help
náà.
us.
Lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
Help us.
Jẹ́ ká lè máa wò.
So that we can be looking
Jẹ́ ká
unto
lè máa
you.
wòkè.
So that we can be looking unto you.
Nínú ọkàn wa kí èrò
our
yẹn kó
heart.
wà nínú ọkàn
That our
wa.
thoughts will be in
Kó
our
wà
heart.
nínú ọkàn wa.
Be in our heart.
Lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
Help us.
Ògo ni fún yín
Glory be to
Ọlọ́run.
God.
Jésù Kristi
Jesus Christ.
Olúwa wa.
Our Lord.
Áńgẹ́lì ìjọ ní Gospel Church of the
To the angel of to the angel in the gospel church of the living God.
Olúwa bá wa dì wọ́n.
Father, uphold him.
Lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa bá wa dì
Father,
wọ́n.
uphold him.
Wọ́n ń jẹ́wọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ ń fi ayé wọ́n ń gbé ìgbésí ayé
They are living a lifestyle of what he is saying.
Jésù wọn ò ní bàjẹ́.
Father, it will not spoil in Jesus' name.
Wọ́n ti ṣe ìpinnu pé wọn ò ní
He has determined that it will not spoil.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gbé ìgbé ayé
And he's living his lifestyle like that.
Àwa gbàdúrà
We are praying
pé kí ìwọ ẹlẹ́dàá kan
that you, Creator, should obey him.
orúkọ Jésù wọn ò ní bàjẹ́.
It will not spoil in Jesus' name.
Ayé ń yí pọ̀.
The world is
Ń
swallowing.
yí pọ̀.
Everything is confused.
Lórúkọ Jésù wọn ò ní
Father,
dasán.
it will not confuse.
Lórúkọ Jésù wọn ò ní
It
dasán.
will not confuse.
Gbogbo àwa tá a bá wọn rìn náà.
All we are companions.
Lórúkọ Jésù ayé wa ò ní bàjẹ́ o.
Our life will not be destroyed.
Èṣù ò ní gba máàkì lórí ayé wa.
Devil will not.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló máa.
Devil will fail over our life.
Ǹjẹ́
Shall
o
it
fẹ́
be the
Jésù
grace of the
Kristi
Lord
wa?
Jesus Christ,
Ìfẹ́ ti
the
Ọlọ́run.
love of God,
Ìdàpọ̀ ti ẹ̀mí
the fellowship
mímọ́.
of the Holy Spirit
Ó wà pẹ̀lú ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan
should
wa.
be with every one of
Ó
us.
di ọwọ́
To
ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan
hold
wa.
our hands
Láti
from
ìsinsìnyí àti
now
títí
and
láéláé.
forevermore.
Amen.
Amen.
Praise